Yo. Nobody will ever beat you. I'm here before you. Now that's funny. Welcome back to the stream, Carson. What's up, man? Who else we got in here? Appreciate that like too, man. You move quick. Hey, you're gonna be the first one in the Discord group too at this rate. So I am like 95% done getting it just set up so that people can join and it not just be a barren wasteland. So probably within the next 5 to 10 minutes, I'll start inviting the OGs, let them in free. And then everyone else is going to probably just have to pay to be a part of the, we'll call it like the member group. Members only Discord. But you guys will get in for free. I got to limit it somehow, because I don't just want everybody in there, first of all. Let's just say I end up with a couple hundred people that watch the streams. I don't want a couple hundred people in there if they're not serious. That we can use YouTube chat, we can use Twitter for free. But if they want to be up close and personal with me like that, it's where they're like blowing my phone up when they send a message. I feel like just making that a members only thing will just help filter out the trolls at least. So, but my only requirement for those that I let in free is just that they make sure they are following me, of course, on social media. Because I appreciate the OGs, but of course I'd at least want them to be supporting the cause. Link is coming soon. I'll have the link soon. I'll end up sending it to everybody personally because I don't, like I said, it's going to be members only. Or maybe I could just send the link and you have to ask to join. I'm not familiar, but it's almost set up. Like I've got just a couple channels to finish up and then I'll send out a link. Now, taking a quick look at the price action before I finish setting up the Discord. Let me just start by saying I do still have my buy order set to grab me at 4.59. Here's the thing. Yes, I did expect, if you follow me on Twitter, you saw that I said likely bounce spots are 0.48, okay? Which, and keep in mind, I already sent this out hours ago. 0.48, which we just bounced at here twice. And I said 0.47-ish or 0.465. Bounced literally. Most of it dropped off at 0.47 with a candle rejecting wick at 0.465. And then I said next area is 0.45. Ideally, if we can make it that far down, that's where I want to get in. One, because it's close to the bottom of 40, which we know we're not going past. And two, because just due to the fact that we're not selling off on bad news or a hype sell-off, it's literally just Bitcoin dragging us down. I don't know we'll really go far beyond that. So 0.45-ish area and lower is my sweet spot. But since I don't really have faith that Bitcoin's going to drag us down that low all the way to low 40s, I just want to get snagged at the 0.45 and not be super greedy. Okay? Because at the end of the day, anywhere I get grabbed in 40s is a dip. Once we get back to 50s, it's a dip. Who just disliked immediately? So weird. Anyway, that's a dip. So, if I can get filled anywhere near 0.45, I'm cool. So just not to be greedy, I did set it at the upper end of 4.95. At the upper end of 4.5 at 4.59. So pretty close to 4.6, just right in this area. Now, I feel pretty confident that it'll get filled because Bitcoin is looking so weak. And I feel like Bitcoin wants to keep selling off towards 40,000 tonight before it actually recovers. But like I said on my Twitter, or maybe I didn't say it on my Twitter yet, I do want to be filled somewhere before I go to sleep because I feel like we recover tomorrow. Okay, so I don't want to wake up and us be at 54 and I could have bought like at 47 or something. I don't want to be completely out. I want to catch some move overnight. Now, there is, of course, a chance we go down overnight, but I want to be in. because I think the chance we go down is lower than the chance we go up. Bitcoin will recover. This is an oversell off. Okay, yeah, it's bad news, but it's still an oversell off. So I want to be in when I go to sleep, and then hopefully wake up and profit. Okay, so while I'm awake, I am going to look for a 459 dip. I don't care if after that we dip to 42, 41. Yeah, that would have been cool, but I'm not going to be greedy. I'm not going to be greedy. Now, here's the thing. If we're coming down super fast and it doesn't look like we're going to stop, that's a different story. But if we're doing just like we did here, I'm just going to let that order fill and trade my plan accordingly. Carson with the super chat. Hey, man of my word. Thanks for helping us all the time, bro. Bro, I really appreciate that donation. I really do. And yeah, absolutely. I should turn on my lights so you can actually kind of see my face, I guess. Doom, doom, doom. There we go. Purple vibe. Let me close this door. So what I'm doing, basically just waiting for Bitcoin. Waiting for Bitcoin to dump again. It looks like it wants to. And I just need it to come to right about here, and Robinhood will scoop me up. And Bitcoin's looking pretty weak, so I think our plan will be executed. Let me just post on my Twitter, make sure we got everybody in here that's going to come. And then I'll work on the Discord. Seven if probably. Oh, they're getting a good dip buy opportunity. They're gonna make profit. Doge, dude's fuming right now. It's heated. All right, I'm gonna blast something out in Webull chat. Hopefully, get a couple homies. Yeah, his dislike was him saying what he needed to say. That was him subliminally getting his message across. Just the dislike. Too funny. All right, Bitcoin's crashing again, but something to note is that Doge is not following suit. Doge is really trying to hold here. So I think that's just very strange, to be honest. Let me refresh. Because if we're following the pattern, okay, Doge should have been coming back down here. Something tells me Doge is frozen. This is weird. What the heck? I don't trust this. Let me get my Robinhood open. I don't trust this at all. Guys, if you're using Webull, be aware that the chart might be frozen. It is. We're at 47. What? 473. That was strange. That was really strange. What the heck? Okay, I don't know how to feel about this. We should definitely, if we're following Bitcoin, we should be here. Okay, we should be here, and I should be about to get filled. I'm a little annoyed, but I don't know. Do I just Bitcoin's definitely going down here, so maybe I just wait this out and get filled. That's the way I'm feeling. I want to get filled. That's all I know. But I'm just wondering why this isn't moving when we're literally down here because of this, you know? So once this dumps, we'll probably get dragged down, and hopefully that fills me. Yeah, I know. Where are all the homies at? It's literally just you in here right now, Carson. Invu and Advantage. I'm surprised they're not here. Doge really doesn't want to go any lower. I don't know. I might have to cancel and buy. I might. It depends on what Bitcoin does here, but Doge is trying to have a mind of its own, and it's not working out for me. I'm trying my best not to. I don't want to modify my plan. I'm just gonna wait. Okay, I'm just gonna patiently wait. Because Bitcoin looks like it wants to go to 40K. All right, and if it does go to 40K, we will hit my buy. Like I said, I'd be satisfied with 4.6s. Okay, but really I want it the 4.5. And 4.59 for me is enough 4.5. Okay, but Doge is really not wanting to dump. And I find that to be interesting. Notice the difference in price action. It's like refusing to go where Bitcoin will. But Bitcoin, yeah, Bitcoin's going to have a ride, okay? At least to 4.2. Or Alex, he's probably too busy trying to trade his girlfriend. How'd you know, dude? That's funny. Bitcoin's weak. I don't know. I think we might see a pretty big dip today. Bitcoin is not having a good time. Look at all that selling pressure on Bitcoin. Oof. Advantage. There you are, man. Good time to buy. Anywhere down here is probably a good time to buy. I have my buy order on Robinhood set to fill me at 0.459. Okay? I'm just sharing. You can buy anywhere in 40s, okay? Especially since you exited at 4.9. If you buy here, technically you're buying a dip for yourself, right? Because you sold at 4.9. You could get in 2 cents cheaper and ride the wave back up. That's perfectly fine. All right, we don't know how much lower it's going to go. All I know is two things. Bitcoin is still looking extremely weak, right? And part two of that is that Bitcoin's pulling us down. But then at the same time, that Dogecoin is starting to be a little bit stronger than the pull of Bitcoin at this price, okay? Because notice the difference. Well, I guess you could say this wick right here. Maybe not, okay? Maybe we just eliminate this wick and pretend like that didn't happen. So ignore me. But it's definitely not pulling the price down as hard. But at this rate, we should at least get down to probably 4.2-ish on Bitcoin. Because why would we stop at like a random number? And I think that fills me. But I don't know. But 4.59 is where I have my Robinhood buy set. And I just hope I don't get missed, but I feel like I'm not being too greedy by saying 4.6, you know? Like a flat 4.6. 4.7 isn't that crazy of a dip. My plan is, if I don't get filled 4.59 automatically, just before I get to sleep, whatever dip we're at, I will buy that dip. Because I want to be holding come morning, because I expect to be recovering tomorrow. And I don't want to be out, especially if there's a tweet before I wake up. I definitely don't want to be out. Even if we happen to go down from where I buy in, I'd rather be in than out. It's just a little too sketchy for me to not be in. So I will be buying whatever dip we're at the time I need to go to sleep, whether that's if we're at 4.7, 4.8, 5.0, 5.1. But I am trying to get filled at 4.5. I think we'll come down to 4.5, okay? Because earlier on the Dogecoin side, this was the dip we saw to 4.5. But we're just having some trouble getting back down there. But my buy is high 4.5s just to not be greedy. Just in case we don't make it all the way back here. I just want to get filled. That's it. But I think Bitcoin's going to 40K tonight. If you're really patient, you might be able to get filled at like a 4.3. Like a 4.5, a 4.4, a 4.3. But I don't know if we dip that far. Okay, I don't know how hard Bitcoin pulls us down. And we also don't know how low Bitcoin's going to go. So I'm playing it a little safe. But yeah, anywhere in here probably advantage, I would think, is a good time to buy. You don't have to wait for it to keep going down if you don't want to. This is all dip territory, in my opinion. You could literally buy it right this moment, and I wouldn't be mad at you, even though it's technically going down. This is all dip territory, so it's kind of just up to you. But I am waiting for more of a dip, just by like another cent. I planned this. I put this trade in a couple hours ago, and I feel like if I've come this far, I might as well just continue to trade my plan, Stick to my guns. Like literally as soon as the stream ended, I said, I think it's coming to 4.5. I'm going to set at 4.59, and that's exactly what I did. So I'm going to stick to my guns. It's at 4.6-ish. Yeah, 1 more cent, and I get filled. And then I don't care what happens after that. But keep in mind, Dogecoin is not moving 1-to-1 compared to Bitcoin here. So it's going to take like another $500 off Bitcoin for me to get filled. I think it's going to happen. Bitcoin doesn't look like it has any plans going up. Like it literally. Hey guys, please, if you could like the video too, I'd really appreciate that. I see we have 6 viewers. If we could at least get like 2 more likes, I'd be happy. That way it gets shared with people and they don't miss this dip. I appreciate it. Also, Discord group is almost ready. It needs like 10 more minutes. Okay, and all the OGs will get in for free. So if you've been in my live streams any time from Monday to like yesterday, you will be in free. Cynthia, welcome back. Haven't seen you in a while. Where you been? I'm just playing. Welcome back. It's a wild ride tonight. Sure is. I don't know if I got filled. I don't think I did. Well, Robinhood tends to be lower, right, than Webull? Let's see if I got filled. Doesn't look like it. 466 still on Robinhood. But Bitcoin isn't done, so I think we're still coming down. And I'll probably still get filled. Let's hope so. Yeah, Bitcoin looks like it wants to come down to 42,000 at least. Hey, Carson, thank you, man. Appreciate that. Thank you so much for the donation. Hey, new viewers, welcome to the stream. We are evaluating where this dip is going to stop, okay? All things considered, I don't think we make it below 45 on the Doge side. Bitcoin is tanking, but it's not at a 1-to-1 ratio. And what I mean, obviously, Bitcoin is way higher price, so it wouldn't be 1-to-1 ratio. That's not what I mean. I just mean when you look at the speed at which Dogecoin is dropping compared to Bitcoin, Bitcoin's tanking really fast, really hard, and Dogecoin is just barely moving. Like it really just doesn't want to follow, but it has to. So, yeah, the recovery is not what I want to see here. I don't think Bitcoin's done. I don't think anyone holding Bitcoin thinks it's done. So I don't think we recover. If you just put yourself in the shoes of other people, and Carson, you're perfectly fine to buy here. Okay. I just don't want to cancel my order. I want to stick to my guns. And I'm not sure that Bitcoin's at the bottom. If Bitcoin's not at the bottom, it will pull Dogecoin down some more. And all it needs to do is pull Dogecoin down another 0.6 of a cent and I get filled. So I'm going to just stick to my plan from a couple hours ago when I set my limit buy when I predicted we get down to 4.5, but I said I'd set 4.59. Might as well just stick with it at this point. If I don't get filled, that's just going to be unlucky for me, but I'll survive. Now, you don't have to be greedy like that, but I would like to just prove myself right to myself. Hey, Anthony, welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. I don't think I've seen you here before. Glad to have you. We're a very small channel, so I kind of know everyone by name. And my skydive. I'll get to you next. So many dips today. Really want to learn more crypto to invest in besides Doge. Hey, stick around to this channel if that's what you want. I think I might have just got filled. Robinhood doesn't give me any notifications. We're at 0.462 according to Robinhood. Oh, I hope that's not the reversal. I might cry myself to sleep. It's not looking like it. I think 420 is at least what Bitcoin wants to do. So I'm gonna leave it. If not, might not see you guys ever again. Okay, so many dips today. Really, yeah. If you want to learn about more cryptos, we're going to be branching out into other cryptocurrencies. My plan was for tonight to do a stream learning about and covering other cryptocurrencies other than Dogecoin. Because here's the thing. We are getting to a point where Dogecoin is breaking free from becoming a meme stock or crypto and becoming a value, actually holding some value, right? And so that means it's going to begin to stabilize at some point in the near future, whether that's at 70 cents, 80 cents, $1, $1.50, $2. We don't know where it'll like end and stabilize at, but we know it will get there. So we want to start preparing for the next thing. This isn't I'm only going to cover Dogecoin thing and then not make any more live streams once Doge volatility is gone. Okay. Now, there are some options that I kind of already have in mind, and I'll just say XRP is one and Cardano is the other. Okay, but we're gonna live stream learning about those together, and then make some evaluations, price targets, price predictions, and just have a plan for transitioning. Man, I don't think Robinhood filled me. I'm about to be really upset because we definitely dipped down to my buy. Wow. We definitely dipped down. Look at Webull. It says 454. I will be very disappointed. Oh my gosh. It's whatever. I'm not going to cancel it. I'm not going to cancel it. Bitcoin, you better come back down. That's all I'm saying. All right. Miss my skydive. Of course, Robinhood, screw it. Oh, down for maintenance. Right now? No way. Okay, they're back up. They're back up. It just went away. I did see the message though, but it disappeared. I don't know. I don't think I think I do get filled. I don't think Bitcoin's done. I think Bitcoin wants to go to 40,000 tonight, but I think 42 was kind of one of those potential reversal points. Look at Dogecoin. I don't think it's over. I don't think the Bitcoin sell-off is over. It could be, but I think 40,000 is where we're going before we reverse off Bitcoin-ish. And 38,000 absolute minimum. Which means on the Doge side, we should see 45, 44, no lower than 40. But could be wrong. That's just my guess. It's not really based on too much. Just speculative guess. Cynthia, you said your chart is enjoying the outdoors before it gets too hot here and doesn't mind well. Nice. Cool. I bet it does. In NorCal, where is that? I'm not familiar with that at all. Carson with the plug. Hey, yeah, appreciate that. Definitely subscribe if you're new. Very small channel. You probably won't find me again searching Doge, but free content, informative live streams, teaching people how to trade properly, and almost everybody in this group is in profit. We don't lose money here. We don't get greedy and we don't lose money. Guys, I think I got memed. I really do. clearly on Webull it says we hit 454, but Robinhood just didn't fill my order, and I was 459 at 42. That's a strong low, 42,000 on the Bitcoin side. I'm a little disappointed. Oh, Northern California. Sorry, I'm dumb, I guess. I don't hear people say NorCal too often, but I guess if you're from there, it's probably common. I don't know. I don't think Bitcoin's done. That was way too strong of a sell down, but it could be done. That's it. That's the thing. It could be. Whatever. I called it in advance that I was going to stick to it. I don't change my plans. Not at the moment of decision. Okay. You might buy now. You wait another minute. And it hit 4.5. Yeah. That's why you got to, if you do limit buy, Carson, you got to set your limit on the high side. Basically, when you do limit buy, you're just saying, fill me close to the price it currently is at, but worst case scenario, no higher than limit buy price. So it doesn't have to be exact. You're not saying what to buy it at. You're just saying absolutely not higher than or lower than this price. So you can give yourself like 1 cent breathing room or 3/4 of a cent. It's rebounding. We'll see if it pulls back down. Man, look at how Doge recovered though. It's not the same. It's just annoying, man. All right, let me read some more comments. Anthony says, why does all crypto pivot about the same on the charts? That's a great question, Anthony. So Bitcoin is like the market leader in cryptocurrency, right? So Bitcoin, because Bitcoin's the big dog, it was the one that's here first. It's the most valuable crypto. It's the market leader in cryptocurrency. So other cryptocurrencies tend to follow the lead of Bitcoin very closely. If Bitcoin's selling off, usually the other cryptos are selling off. And if Bitcoin's going up, usually the other coins are going up. Now you'll notice on important news, important moves as well, it'll follow to like a T. Literally move for move. Cryptocurrencies will follow Bitcoin's action. This is crazy. I'm a little annoyed. But yeah. Oops, you started to say your chart is looking so much better every time you arrive here, but was distracted by the thought of Shasta Lake today. Yes, you plan to hang tight on Doge. You won't raise your average. Nice. Very nice. You bought the last, and I'm glad you had a good time. You bought the last step at 38. See if it goes down to that again and you'll buy more. Oh, okay. The last dip. Nice. Let's see. You tried buying. Yeah. Cool. All right. Robinhood's down for maintenance. Yeah, of course. Maybe that's why I didn't get filled. Yeah, if it dips again, just drop another 50. There you go. Like I said, if I want a real dip, I want 459. I want 45 cents ish. I'm just being greedy, okay? I have every right to. But, like I said, if I can't get filled by the time I go to sleep, I'm just going to buy whatever dip presents itself because I want to be in overnight. I don't want to be out. I expect both Bitcoin and Dogecoin and all the other cryptocurrencies that follow Bitcoin to have recovered some by the morning when everybody sees the low price that Bitcoin's at, okay? And for that reason, I expect Doge to be back in the 50s. So, I want to be back in. Why are we getting so many viewers out of nowhere? Hey guys, what's going on? What's going on, guys? Usually don't have like 15 people at midnight Eastern time, but hey, welcome to the stream. Glad to have you. Definitely let me know in chat, new people in the stream, where you guys are at in Doge. What's your position? Or what price are you at? And what's your plan? Let's see. Comments. Cynthia. Oh, have they? Zcash and XLM? That's interesting. Carson. Oh, I'm sorry. They just came back. Yeah. North. Yep, I read those. Just subscribe. Thank you, Anthony. I appreciate that. Hey, guys, can you all like the video if you don't mind? While we've got so many people in here, each one of your likes usually will bring 2 to 3 new viewers. If everybody can like, we might have a little bit of a party here. Might have to get the drinks out. Yeah, Bitcoin's doing it, man. I'm really annoyed. I absolutely should have gotten filled. Let me check. What? Come on. My buy order was set right here. How did I not get filled? I got robbed, man. This is Robinhood's pricing, okay? It says we went down to 454. I was at 459 and I didn't get filled because they went down for maintenance. I'm so annoyed. I've had this buy order set for hours. Predicted that dip for hours. I said it's going to bounce off 4.5. It's not going to go lower, I don't think. So I'm not going to be greedy and I'm going to put my buy order at 459. And Robinhood goes down for maintenance and doesn't place my order. That's literally been placed. I posted it on Twitter. Not kidding. I'm buying 4.5. I said 4.55, but then I changed it to 4.59 when I replied. Okay, this is 2 hours ago. Order placed. 4.59. It's been sitting there, and I get memed. Anyway. Hey, Jessica, welcome to the stream. Are you new here? Oh, just subscribed. We need New Yorkers. Nice. Welcome, welcome. Let me catch up on comments. I'm lagging behind. Oh, I'm brilliant beyond compare. Remember that? That's so nice. Thank you, Cynthia. That's really sweet. I did not buy. I didn't get filled. I got screwed over. My stream can do 1080p now. Before it was 720. Good. I set my recording settings a little higher. Hopefully that allows you to do a higher rate. I don't know. Bitcoin's still looking weak. Maybe it comes back down. Maybe it's not all doomed. Let's see. What's up, boys? Don't sell. Hey, my man, do it yourself. What's going on? Don't sell is right. Hey, we already sold though. You probably missed it. But we cut high. We sold a while ago to buy a dip. Literally, probably like 6 hours ago, we sold. And just because we thought it was going to come 40s, and here we are. I'm mad I predicted the dip down to the cent, and Robinhood said, nah. Come on, man. I've been sitting there for 2 hours. Just messed up. Did it really? Let me double check. Maybe my eyes are just messed up. Wow. No. Yeah. Oh my God. Look at this. Hang on. I don't know if you can see this. Oh. Wait. Yeah. That. It's saying that was where it went. Come on. Anyway. Let me catch up. Let's see. Sheesh, dropping a lot. IE, what's going on, man? Welcome back. It's been a while. Remember, tomorrow's Monday, so it'll probably be less. Yeah, it could be less or more. I don't know. I just feel like there's a lot of news to be had this week. So I definitely want to be in versus out. Guys, if you could please, if you don't mind, kind of donating your like to this video, it really, really works. I don't enjoy asking people to like the video. I hate it when people ask for subscribes and likes, but it really does help us get more people in here for live streaming. It's very effective. 9K shares at 12 cents. Whew. Man, you are up for sure. Let me do some quick math. So that cost you $900 to get 9,000 shares at the time, ish. Probably about $1,000, right? And now that grand has 4x'd. So you're at about $4,000 right now. 3,000 profit, if my mental math is correct. My Sky, you're at Skydive. I'll just call you Skydive. You're at 1,500 at 14 and 38. Wow. I love that you guys have these low averages. Oh, we're coming back down. Not looking great for Bitcoin. The only thing is, 42 might have been the absolute low, but we'll see. It doesn't look happy still. It might still be on trajectory for 40 like I thought, and then I'll get filled. You're waiting longer. That's perfectly cool. The thing is, I just don't know. I don't know what Bitcoin's going to do this week. I don't know how low it's going to go when tomorrow comes. I don't know. I don't know if people see it as a dip buy opportunity and it goes up and Dogecoin recovers because of that, or if the sell-off continues because, Elon just keeps trolling and making things worse. And if that happens, we could, be back low 40s on Doge, which is why I want to get filled at a value so I don't feel bad if we end up low 40s, okay? So that's why I'm saying 4.5 is my buy. If I'm going to wait this long for a dip, 4.5 is where I want to be at the highest. That's my logic. Jessica, 4.5 you too? Nice. New Yorkers. I'm from Philly, so I'm not like next door, but I was pretty close. I don't live in Philly anymore, but I was born and raised in Philly. Up north. Yeah, it'll probably come down more. I'm just trying to believe. If not, it's not a big deal. Come to eToro. I'm seeing a lot of ads on my Twitter for eToro, but I don't have an account. I'm not super familiar with it. All right, even dip under 46, they go down for maintenance. Yeah, ever dip under? Yeah. Every, I guess you meant. So annoying. Robinhood are thugs. They own most of Doge. Robinhood, they're definitely scammers. I hate Robinhood, but I still use it for some reason. 9672 shares. Oh, cool. So a little more, almost 10K. Nice. Bitcoin's trying, but I don't know. It's still a little weak. Doge is doging. Jessica, Binance is better. I just got approved for my Binance account, and I haven't used it yet, so I can't agree with that. But I've heard good things about Binance. Okay, Doge, relax. Cynthia, I've resorted to always using market order. Maybe just me, but you've been canceled and missed great buys every time, so no. No, I understand. Market order, especially if you're new, makes a lot more sense. Limit orders you need to plan out in advance. You have to have your finger on the buy button, and you need to be conservative with your limit orders, or there's a high chance you don't get filled. Market orders are obviously, they're 100% guaranteed, but because of that, you pay a tax. Sometimes you will get filled, especially on Webull. I've noticed it's especially bad. You will get filled a couple cents off compared to where you want it to be in. I'm really annoyed at Robinhood for not filling me, though, because according to the chart, we dipped to 0.5 of a cent below my limit, and it just didn't fill me. So I'm pretty aggravated, if you can't tell. I'm so I say aggravated, but just because my personality, it's like it hasn't changed. I'm so frustrated, man. I could scream right now. Anyway. Yeah, it feels bad. It's alright though. It's cool. Carson O'Donnell, Robinhood, that documentary dropped on Netflix. What documentary? Oh, you liked it already? I appreciate that, bro. For the OGs in here, follow Mark on Insta, Twitter, so he can't send you Discord. So he can? Yeah. So the OGs, the ones that have been here already all this week, because for those of you that are new to this stream that just subscribed, tomorrow will mark 1 week since I started live streaming and posting trading content on YouTube. I've had this channel for a couple years doing tech reviews, but this is a brand new venture for me. I've been trading for years, but I just haven't been teaching people other than my immediate friend group. So this whole teaching people online thing and this live streaming thing, brand new to it. So if you want to learn how to trade and be better at it, and you want to learn how to make money off Dogecoin, stay tuned. If you've already subscribed, also now take the time to click the notification bell and then select all, or else you will miss the next live stream. And if you don't want to miss it, get notified. But yeah, the OGs from early in this week that were already here, my Discord group will probably be ready in about 10 minutes. I'm almost finished setting it up. So I will send you guys a special link, and you will be able to get in as a member at no cost. But going forward, I think I am going to make a very small cost, not much, but just like the membership fee for being a part of the member group, the live trading member group here. And that way we'll just filter out who gets to have that close interaction with me, because I don't want a bunch of spammers and trolls and people that don't know how to control themselves just blowing up my Discord on my phone all day. So I think that'll be a good filter. Just a couple bucks a month membership fee, and it'll be through YouTube. You'll do the join, and one of the perks will be access to the Discord group. And that's where I'll be living the most, except for on live streams. I'll post all my updates that have been going on Twitter. They'll start to go in the Discord group, and then Twitter will be my secondary. That's my plan. If I don't like it, maybe I'll just do free, 100% free, but I don't know. Let's see. Anthony, yes, 1K at about 10 cents. Wow. Then dropped another 500 at 18 cents. Wow. Okay. That's really low. So was my math right? Are you at about 4K now? Ish. York, Pennsylvania? Nice. Hey, so we were really close. Skydive is York, and then Jessica is in New York, and then I was in Philly. Doge is definitely rising. Living with Lucy, you heard of her, the millionaire Doge holder? No. All I knew was Pro the Doge, the millionaire Doge guy. I didn't know there was a girl. Let's check it out. Oh, I just saw this girl live streaming yesterday, and I had no idea who she was. I just scrolled on by. Let's check her out. I'm checking price right here, by the way. We're 48 cents. I'm still waiting for we won't watch this too long. I'm just seeing what she's about. It's about 4K. You sold about $300 worth to pay off some credit card debt. Oh, respectable. That's dope, man. Grew up in Quakertown? Nice. Look at us. North side, right? She's cool. Yeah, she seems cool so far. Let me pause my music. Talking about Elon. Yeah, a matter of time before he talks about. Yeah. At least she's informed. She knows what she's talking about. I guess you would be if you owned that many Dogecoins. Mm-hmm. Yeah. EGOD. My money's on Xcoin. Hey, she seems cool. Let me subscribe to her just so I remember who she is. Give her a like. Gotta give him a like, guys. A like is very important. But yeah, I'll have like a join button. You can join my member group. Let me see what her perks are. She has a tier 1. You get loyalty badges. Okay. Whatever that means. Okay, so basically nothing. What about this? Priority reply to comments. Well, that's pretty lame. All right. Yeah, it's going to come down. We don't know how much, though. That was a really, very, very big... I can't talk tonight, man. I'm sorry. Getting tongue-tied for no reason. I'm just tired. That was just a very big recovery for Bitcoin of about $1,000. But all things considered, it wasn't that big of a recovery. So I don't know if this holds. You would think once it hits the real bottom, that's when all the dip buyers come in. I think they're waiting at 40,000, honestly. I don't think Bitcoin's done. That's my prediction, okay? I'm more than willing to be wrong. She's the crypto queen. Nice. Hey guys, if you haven't already, especially if you're new to the channel, I have links in the description. Okay, first and foremost, my Twitter. If you want any notifications, and you're not part of the Discord group, that's not even set up yet, so nobody is. But if you want notifications, 1, of when I'm going to be on YouTube, if I know when that time's going to be in advance, or 2, just about like what my trading plans are, what I'm looking for in Doge, when I'm going to buy a dip, what price I plan to get in at, what the bounces are going to be, or any of just my other breaking news, like things I want to share that I've learned in between times when I can go live. Follow me on Twitter. You could do that right now if you like. Link is in the description. Or you can just open Twitter and search 2020 Tech Reviews. That's my channel's name, technically. So there's that. Other than that, if you just want to be friendly, I do have my 2 Instagram accounts linked there. My SRT King one is my personal one. It's really a car page, but that's more my personal account. More stuff related to me and nothing to do with like technology or trading. And then 2020 Tech Official is the channel's page. I just haven't posted on it in a while. And that's pretty much it. Other than that, if you only use Robinhood, you shouldn't. So you should probably invest in a Webull account. It's free just like Robinhood, but you can get charts like this and actually look at what's happening. Link in the description will give you 2 free stocks if you use that referral link. And it'll give me 2 free stocks too, which is why I have it there. Let's be honest. That's pretty much it. Other than that, I really appreciate you guys hanging out with me tonight. And we'll get the music back. Advantage. Do you think it's going back down? Yeah, I do. You put in half and got in at 47. Hey, that's a good call. I should have done that too. I should have canceled my order and bought at least half at 46 and then waited. But I was just testing my theory, and I was right, okay? Robinhood just disagreed. But according to TradingView and according to Webull chart, I was right. So that's what's going to help me sleep tonight when I don't get filled in a dip. Just knowing that the chart said, Mariano, you were right. We'll see in a few days if Elon sells off his Bitcoin, so I think Doge will skyrocket. Yeah, it was a whole lot of talk, a whole lot of talk. Yeah, they did definitely make Elon mad, which you don't want to do. Elon, I don't have a problem with Elon. I think he's dope. I think he's a really down-to-earth guy, especially to be the 2nd richest person in the entire world. You wouldn't necessarily look at him or talk to him and know that. All you know is that he's really smart, right? Really smart and cares about what he cares about. He's really into it. But I think that's typically, apparently he has Asperger's. And I think that's one of the things, like, since isn't that technically like a form of autism? A very, 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 very light form. But typically people with those kind of disorders, I guess you could call them, get very focused on a few things, and they take it real serious. Like the things they're into, they're really into it. So I'm not surprised. But anyway, Elon, I mean, he's a really down-to-earth, genuine guy. But to be that powerful, sometimes he is a little, I guess you could say, too real. So, I mean, he'll let comments and stuff and people trolling and being rude, he'll let it get to him and he'll emotionally react, which is what he did today with the liking of the tweet saying that he might sell all the Bitcoin and have Tesla just completely abandon him because people were being jerks. It's not super, super professional, but I find it amusing. Cynthia, you said, I put a post showing you live in the Webull Doge comment section about 5 minutes ago. Oh, thank you so much. You're so nice. Maybe that's why we have so many viewers. Thank you. Unlimited. I got 48 using Fibonacci retracement. Nice. It is predict 46, 47, but I leave some error about 1 cent. Cool. I know Fibonacci is usually pretty accurate. It goes off levels, and a lot of people use the Fib, so power to them. I try not to use indicators anymore, except for one or two max. So I usually, I mean, I don't touch the Fib. I used to use RSI and MACD. I don't use those anymore. Yeah, he has disabilities, he's eccentric, but I admire him greatly. Yeah, me too. That's my guy. I definitely look up to Elon Musk. If I were to look up to anybody, which typically I don't tend to, it would probably be Elon. I love how smart he is. I like smart people. And it's a plus if they happen to be socially awkward, because sometimes I am. So it's relatable. I'm very much introverted these days. No, maybe that's not true, but I used to be very introverted. Now I act like an extrovert, but I'm not. Elon's very smart, but I believe he is not as nice as he is on camera. He's very arrogant. It's very possible. It's really hard to tell, though, because we never see him off camera. But I could see him being that way. You know, you never know. It's really hard. I feel it's just really hard to be in a place of power, especially when you get into business, okay? And I know this as a manager in corporate. I have like a team of 15. It can be very difficult sometimes, even if you're someone like myself who doesn't have power trips. You know, I don't care about power. It just is what it is. I get my job done. That's it. But it can be very difficult when you have a position of that much power and you're over so many people. And also, you know, you're a genius. To not be arrogant or mean or overly harsh, make other people feel lesser. It's very difficult. And then also when you have money, yeah. So even though that might be true, I do still respect him just for, at least from what I can see, acting humble. Or kind, decent, normal. I don't know. Not flashy. I'm really annoyed I didn't get filled 46, honestly, but Aiden Ross is live. That dude's funny. Oh, that was hours ago. Never mind. How's everybody doing tonight, though? Surprised you guys are awake with me. Especially those of you that are Eastern time like me. It's about 1 a.m. It's Monday tomorrow. We got to work. All right, bro. I bought in when you said to. Okay, cool. And you got FSA tested tomorrow. Oh. So you're going to head out and go to sleep later, bro. Thanks for helping me. Yeah, absolutely, Carson. For sure. Obviously, the link won't be in the chat quite yet. So I'll DM you a link to the Discord group so you can follow up on that like in the morning or something. Thanks for hanging out, bro. Thank you so much for the donations. Have a good night, man. We'll catch you on the flip. Bro, you just woke up to check Doge with no alarm? Dude, I was doing that a couple times. Hey, night, bro. I was looking at, I would wake up like 4 a.m. Be like, check phone. Oh, we're cool. Go to sleep. But really, I've been waking up at like 8 a.m., no alarm. Which is really weird. Before 8 a.m., no alarm for me. I'm not a morning person. I like to sleep in. Typically, I have to have an alarm to wake up for when I need to wake up to start my job. So to wake up with no alarm is unusual. And I'd be wide awake. I'm just like, Doge. It's 9:41 your time, Cynthia. I hope all of y'all are following me on social media, by the way. Hey, Carson with one more while he goes out. Bro, I appreciate that donation. Thank you so much, man. Really appreciate it. Y'all are, I hope I'm keeping you guys motivated, but you're also keeping me motivated too. So I appreciate your support. I'm going to call all y'all out. Advantage, Cynthia, Skydive, Do It Yourself, Unlimited, Jessica, Anthony, all of y'all. I hope you're following me on at least one social media, whether that's Twitter. Honestly, Instagram, you do what you want there. It's not that important. But I hope you're following me on Twitter. On the old Twitter. I only say that because I post so much stuff on there. Like, turn off notifications on retweets, because I do go a little nuts with that these days. I see something cool, Doge, I just click retweet. But at least get my post notifications. And let me show you why. So this is what I was posting. Madame Crypto. You can call me Donna. Es un proyectazo? That's not Spanish. Is that like Italian? I mean, es un. Yeah, that sounds Latin, so that's got to be Italian, right? Anyway. I don't speak Spanish. I can just read it. Not buying the dip because you're already in? Well, you should have cut and bought the dip, bro. Anyway, oh yeah, I got off track. I'm checking my own Twitter. How weird am I? I got lost checking my own Twitter. All right. Anyway, this is what I post. Stuff like this. All right. Going live in 5 minutes. You wouldn't know that if you weren't following me on Twitter. You just might get a notification when I do, or you might not. Let's see what else. Updates. Huge tweet. Indirectly eliminated Cardano or XRP from the running. Here's information. Here's why we can be more confident in Dogecoin. Letting you know if I'm going to live stream or not. I said that XRP is looking like a potential dip buy. I'm going to look more into that. And then I said we're going to 40s tonight. This was 3 hours ago. When we were back above 50. I said, not feeling confident again due to Bitcoin. We're probably going 40s tonight. And then later, and here's 40s. All right. Just predictions on Doge. And then one more time. Carson. Yo, I got to take a picture of that. That's actually funny. Dude is supposed to be asleep, and he heard his cue, had to reopen his, re-unlock his phone. That's just too funny. That's funny. I took a picture of that. I appreciate that plug, Carson. Hey, you forgot one, though. You forgot one. I know it's coming. Well, I mean, technically two, but really one. Let's see if you know which one I'm talking about. 477? Yeah, we're down 475. Hoping this comes back down. Yeah, respect to anyone in my trading group who avoided greed and saw the potential downside and sat on their hands instead of buying. Here we are in the 40s as predicted, and we're in a favorable position to buy the dip. because when we left the last live stream, we were sitting right about here, right? Remember? We were here. We were literally right here. And I said, guys, I got to end the stream. I got Cash App, FSR Media. There you go. You knew exactly which one I was talking about, Carson. That is hilarious. Appreciate it. Yeah, if you want to donate to me, but you can't through YouTube, I know some people said they can't. That's my Cash App. But I don't want donations, guys. Only if you want to. That's okay, I guess. Some people feel very motivated to, and they won't take no for an answer. So there it is. Anyway, we were right here when we cut the last stream. Music's loud, probably. Sorry, I forgot to turn it down. When we were right here, and I said, guys, I gotta go, but I'm not feeling too good about this, okay? I'm not feeling good about it. We're probably gonna end up 40s. I'd rather not, let's just cut. We all cut, or we all didn't enter. Sure enough. Whoops. Oh, okay. Webull's doing the Webull thing again. Oh, yeah, that's what I like. How'd it know? Let's refresh. Sure enough, 45. So we had dip buy opportunity here, again here. I don't like that one, but I should be in right here, but And the other Instagram, my man. I ain't never donating to you. Oh my God. Carson, bro. Dude, really? Oh my goodness. Thank you, Carson. Thank you for another 5. Y'all are crazy. Crazy. Carson is going crazy. Miss Skydive down to 47. Yeah. Thank you so much, Carson. All right, let's talk about we did like a reverse head and shoulders, which is usually a pattern of reversal. Okay. So this should signify that Bitcoin wants to go back up. On Doge's side, though, we're already back to about fair value, so I don't think Doge goes up very much further, just probably reclaims 50. I also don't know if Bitcoin's going to try and actually hold the pattern that it's forming. Hey, welcome to the stream, James. Oh, you just witnessed Carson's Carsoning. While this is doing its price thing, I'm going to finish. Okay. What? It's not what I was trying to do. That's definitely not what I was trying to do. I'm going to work on the Discord a little more. Take your money and feed your kitty cat. Context, dude. Yeah. For those that don't know, he's talking about my car. I appreciate that. You might help me get my car out the shop. You, Alex, do it yourself, and the others that donated might be the reason my car comes out the shop. Anyway, I appreciate the support, guys. Thank you so much. Let's see. I'm trying to get this Discord group knocked out so I can give you guys an invite link. So don't leave. Anybody who gets a link before tomorrow gets into the group for free. So just bear with me as I finish the last touches, and then I'll send out a link. And whoever gets this link tonight gets in for free. After that, tomorrow and onward, new people to the stream, it will be invite only. I mean, it will be members only. So yeah, Skydive, Jessica, I have decided to let you guys in for free as well. I said anyone from yesterday or sooner, but I have changed my mind because I appreciate you guys hanging out. Welcome. I consider you one of the OGs. You were one of the first ones to my channel. within the first week of my live streaming. Tomorrow will be 7 days. So, thank you. How do I work? I've never had my own Discord channel. I use Discord to game with my peoples, just for voice chat. But I've never made my own server, so I'm very tech savvy. Obviously, I have a tech channel, but I don't feel like it right now. Thank you. Yeah, absolutely. Just bear with me. It's probably going to take like 5 minutes. I need to put my profile picture on here, and then I need to figure out how to invite you guys without giving away like my social security number or something nuts. So I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, invite people. How do I lock these down to where the permissions are correct? Let's see. View channel, yes. Manage, no. Manage permissions, no. 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 Send messages, yes. Links. Okay, I'll do links, but no files. I think that's fair. No worries, you got this. You want to hear your car whine? Bro, me too. I miss my supercharger, dude. I missed the whole thing. Bitcoin's not looking too good right now. If I look at this, all right, we made like this. If this gets bearish a little bit, I mean, it could break back down again. Let me show you what I mean. Let's drop. I'm not mad. It's making the old McDonald's M pattern. I'm just playing. That's not a pattern. All right. Drawing. Polyline. It's doing this. Doop, doo, 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 doo. If we see something like this where it gets weak, something tells me it could fail. And if it fails, probably going a little lower. And if that's the case, I get my dip buy. Boom. That's all I have to say. Keep up the dream, Night. A is my name. I know you. Thanks for hanging out. Have you been in here for a while? Billy Rain. Hey, what's going on? Welcome to the stream. You're new. Congrats. You made it. If you hang around, Billy, you will also be part of my Discord group and get in for free. I said anybody who gets in here before tomorrow that gets a link will be able to join my members only group without needing to be a member. So welcome to the stream. If you like just hanging, practicing trading properly, and listening to lo-fi music in the background, you found your stream. You have a feeling Bitcoin will drop below 48? Dude, I don't doubt it will. All right, you have to chill on donos for a bit. Yeah, please go positive. Carson, I want you to donate only if you are making money. I don't want to take your money, man. If I'm helping you make money, then you can give me like a McDouble. What's that, $1? Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, I think Bitcoin could see 40, minimum 38. And I don't think it's over yet. So this doesn't really mean anything to me. Doge hasn't even reclaimed above its 200 EMA resistance. Send you a link too? Yeah, I'm going to drop it in this chat, this live chat here. So all of you in here right now will get the link at the same time. And this is brand new, so don't expect a lot on day one, but it's going to turn into something. If we want it to, it will. I'm just doing the permissions for the channels so things don't get too nuts. Sync. Trade discussion. What? I don't know what that means. Invites. Yeah. Integrations. Yeah. NSFW channel. Whoa. I don't know about all that. Oh. I messed that up. Oh, please bear with me. Just one more minute. I think I'm getting better, but... Thursday you'll be dropping 50 somewhere else besides Dogecoin. Bro, it better not be to me. Do not donate $50 to me, man. Dude, I need to make you... Let me make you a lot of money, and then you can maybe think about giving me... I don't even want $50 from you, dude. It's crazy. I want to see your account 4x. Knowing how much your account is, I want to see that thing like 4x. Then I won't feel so bad about your donos, man. I'm not saying you have a small account. I want to see it multiply before you start giving me all your capital. That's that Doge money. You need that to grow. The hope is this continues following my roadmap. I don't think it will, though. I am almost done. Sorry. How many people are in here? I have my view count blocked. Still 10? Okay. Your account's almost 500 now, bro. Didn't you start with like 279? You joined with 20? No, you didn't. Oh, your Robinhood account. Oh, so I've just got you to keep adding more and more money. You haven't even broke even on your account? How? Well, Advantage, you were kind of trading your own SNL night. Yeah. A lot of us got screwed over that night, man. You're definitely not alone. Looks like this is trying to move. I'll delete my roadmap. They didn't want to do it. That's unfortunate. I think I missed my dip for tonight. Pretty bummed. I was trying my best not to be greedy, but maybe it was just a little too greedy. Just by tenths of a cent. How do I do permissions as a whole? That's what I'm trying to see. System messages. Maybe this. Mark. Bro, Mark been making me moolah. Hey, that's what I like to hear. Advantage, literally just listen to whatever Mark suggests. I love how my name's Mark now. Mark in Super Mario. Even though my name's Mariano. It's pretty funny. Roles and permissions. Oh. I can't even make my own. Oh, roles. There it is. Create role. Everyone. Oh, everyone. There it is. View channels. Not manage. Not manage roles. Not manage emojis. But they can change your own nickname. Send messages. Okay. Advantage, I am, wow, look at that. I'm really annoyed. I am setting up the Discord channel for you guys. I'm finished doing the finishing touches so I can send you guys a link. The basics are almost done. I won't have mods or anything set up yet. I just want to have the rooms put together and the permissions correct so that basically people that join can't just destroy the server, you know. Not that I think any of you will, but I just would like the channel to actually be like set up. All right, I think that's correct. New role, no new role yet. And then how do I, there's got to be a way I can make it so I have to accept you, right? Invites. Hey, what's going on, bro? Welcome to the stream. Hey, you just made it in time. Hang out. I'm about to send everybody a link to my members only Discord. Anybody that is on this channel that has found my channel and decided to support my channel from this moment, tonight, and prior. This is the 6th day I've been doing this. Will get in for free. So if you just give me a couple minutes for me to fix the permissions on these groups so that nobody can blow up the server, we'll be good. I'm almost done. Promise. Hey John, what's going on? Let me catch up to comments in just a second, guys. Invu, good morning. Welcome back. Okay, one more. Almost there. Doom, doom, doom. This music kind of vibey. Almost. Jeez, this is brutal. Last one. Oh, I did those. Okay, cool. Read existing messages. Yeah. Read existing messages on the main one. Actually, no one can post on this one. Okay, I think it's about ready. Oh, the two with the rules. Hang on. View. That should be it. Carson, how in the world are you still here, bro? Thought you were going to sleep. Definitely don't mind it. Just curious. And sorry, I know I ignored a lot of comments. I'm just trying to finish this for you guys. And it's like less than a minute away. Welcome in rules, referral. All right, I'm going to just drop this link. All right. Please don't blow anything up. Just in case I didn't do all the permissions the right way. Just please don't like blow it. Please don't blow up my server. That's all I ask. It's literally all. All right, I'm gonna drop the link. Jessica, if you close an order and open at a lower price, is that smart? Yeah, that's basically selling high and buying low. That's very smart. That's always the goal. Wow, your message sent like 5 times, but yes, that is smart. All right, guys, let me catch up on comments, but here's a link. Oh, God. That should let you into the server, okay? Please don't go too wild. I still have to put the photo on for the server. I might have to accept an invitation. I don't really know how this works. But I think you just get in, and I'll worry about that the rest later. Wait, if you're not my friend, though, I probably should have friended you first. I don't know. Let me know what happens. Yeah, Jessica really wanted the answer. No, you don't get less coins. As long as you're buying back in lower, you get more coins. It depends. If you were holding from really low, that's a little bit different. Carson, yeah, it evens out regardless. If you have a really good cost average, sometimes it is just good to hold because typically you'll have more coins at that point. Invu, welcome. Welcome to the server, guys. Session planning, I'm going to change that. Woo. Actually, let me just delete session planning for now. I'll make another to replace this. Hey, what's going on? What's going on? Advantage. Okay, cool. Little skies. Yeah, definitely. If your name isn't the same on the Discord group as it is on YouTube, let me know what your YouTube name is so I know who I'm talking to. Or change your nickname or just something. They call you James? James, what's up, bro? James Johnson? Yeah. I'm still waiting on Bitcoin to drop because I don't think it's going to hold. If it comes below here, we might still be seeing a downtrend of 40. Hey, everybody in the chat right now, you are in. Go ahead and click the link. I'm pinning it right now. Go ahead, click that link. If you don't have a Discord, I encourage you to make one tonight. Tonight's the last night I'm going to let people in, unless you're an OG and I know who you are already. Tomorrow onward, it is going to be members only. We still waiting for it? No, we already hit 495. We hit it right here. I mean 459, we hit it right here. Now the thing is, my Robinhood didn't fill me for whatever reason. You can look at TradingView's chart and it says we went down to 454, but Robinhood did not fill me at 459. I'm really upset about that. So I'm just hoping it does come back down, but I don't know what's going to happen. But I'm a little bummed. Let me catch up on comments, and then I'll do some more work on this Discord group. Glad to have it finished. Guys, I am going to be posting in this Discord group, this members only Discord group, primarily now with messages. So keep an eye on it. And Twitter is going to be my secondary now. So I want all of you in here, all you OGs. I consider you an OG because this is my only my 6 days streaming. You're some of the first ones to be in my live stream. So all of you, I want y'all in for free. And then this is going to turn into members only. When someone's a member of my channel, which if you want to do that too, fine. But just know you got in free and you don't have to worry about any of that. All right, let me catch up on comments. Envu must be sleeping in his $12.7 million house in Dubai, laying on his gold-plated bed frame and diamond blanket. I agree. Hey, if you're bored, you can look at Twitter, how people are fighting over Elon for the Bitcoin tweet. Yeah, I've been seeing that all day. It's just making him more mad. That's why he's tanking it even more. It's really funny. Wouldn't it be funny if I was holding Bitcoin, but since I'm not, it's pretty funny. GM Gunner, I hope you're still here, man. I hope you're in the Discord. John, yes, welcome back. And welcome to the stream, John. Welcome back. Yo, Invu, I was just talking about you. Yep. Yeah, not that rich. That means you're rich. He said not that rich. Okay, he just confirmed. Invu just confirmed he is actually rich, just maybe not as rich as Carson is implying or thinking. But we don't know what Carson's thinking. Well, he said 12.7 million. That doesn't mean anything. What if it's 11 million? Invu's rich. Confirmed. Mark missed his opportunity to buy. Man, I didn't even miss my opportunity, man. I had this sitting here for 3 hours. This limit buy. I posted it on Twitter. I placed it when we were up here. I said, I think we're going down. I want a dip buy at 459. I think we're reversing at about 45. So I won't be greedy and I'll make it at the top of it just so I get filled. And Robinhood didn't fill me even though we dipped all the way down further than my order. So I'm just a little annoyed. But yeah, I ended up missing my opportunity though. That is still technically correct. You like 12.7? Yeah, more like 6 million. Exactly what Carson said. I was already thinking it. Rip, there's always another time to buy. Yeah. Jessica got needy on me for a second there. It's kind of funny. She just control V spam that thing. Now, maybe you lost money somehow, Jessica. That's the only thing I can think of. Because if you're coming back in with the same amount of money, if you cut high and come down to a lower price, you should be able to buy more coins with the same amount of money. So something went wrong there. It probably had to do with your market sell and buy. If I'm look at your actual orders on Robinhood and see what they actually executed at. Jessica, your market buy and sell. Click on your last 2 orders. If you scroll down just a little bit, click on your last 2 orders and see what prices they executed at for when you bought and when you sold. And it might be because you did market that you ended up not getting filled where you think you did. And so if you think you sold at 51, you might have sold at like 50 or 49, and then you might have bought at like 50 or 51 if you thought that you bought at 49. That's what it sounds like to me. John, what did you miss? Yeah, okay, I answered that, and welcome back, John. Envu, any updates for the Doge? When to buy? Anywhere under 50. But Bitcoin is still doing its thing, so it is not safe. There's nothing safe unless you're down here, in my opinion. Gang. Hey, what's up, bro? We the OG Super Mario Bros. Facts. That's what you should call the server. Hey, maybe I will. Confused. Webull didn't fill. Yeah, I don't know, man. I know Robinhood went down for maintenance for whatever reason, and it went back live at the moment that this went back up. So I might just have to sue. I don't know. Doge 482. Yep. Yeah, man, it's annoying. Yeah, Webull, I'm noticing, especially with crypto, the prices are just way off. I think there's not enough volume on Webull yet for Doge, and that's why the prices to buy in really really mess you up. You're on eToro. Oh, okay. I was thinking you were on Robinhood, but I would still check your order history, your executed order history, just to make sure that you did sell at 51 and buy at 49. Because if you have the same money and you're buying back in cheaper, you can technically buy more shares, not less. Jessica, if you're new to Robinhood, the first 1,000 is covered. After that, you have to wait for deposits to clear. Yeah, true. As long as you sign up and you enable the, I think, margin account. Don't you have to enable margin? Which means you don't have to borrow. You just have to make sure that your account is technically a margin account. And in that case, you can actually deposit up to like 5,000 in instant deposits. I guess if you don't do margin though, you get 1. Is that what you're talking about, my Skydev? My memory fails me, so I can't recall. Guys, welcome to the stream. I see we have a couple extra people in here. Don't be a stranger. Hang out. Say something in chat. If you don't, I won't know who you are. And if you don't, and you just joined the Discord group, I'm definitely going to kick you out. But if you're not a stranger and not creeping on the stream, and you join the Discord group, you will get to stay in the members only Discord for free. That's how that will roll. Oh, we're doing ages? I'll just wait for y'all to say yours. I don't know if I'm going to say mine. I like to remain a mystery. Yep, that's what I was waiting on. I was hoping it would fail this line at some point. This pattern here just didn't look strong, but then it did this. So I was like, oh. But here we are at the resistance, so. Oh, that's correct. Okay. So non-margins 1K, margins 5. All right, got it. So-called maintenance. Yeah, it's just Robinhood scamming people. Again, you know the classic. Advantage 21. Nice. I thought you were 17, Carson. Are you almost 17? Oh, I guess you did say 16. Rodrigo, welcome to the stream, dude. We're getting all these new people in here. You're old lady, 48. Nah, you're not old. Not old, Miss Skydive. DJ? Yo, what's up? Why did DJ just join and say DJ? Bro, what is that? Rodrigo and DJ, though, welcome to the stream. Y'all hanging out? Oh, you were just saying that you're not creeping? Okay. I just thought it was funny. Don't forget, guys, subscribe. If you are new, click subscribe. Click on the notification bell. Select all. That way you will be part of the next live stream. I want people in here for our live streams. I want to have like 30 people. We maxed out somewhere around 20 to 22 on a good day. We're getting so close. We can really have a good time. All right. Also, if you're not lurking, let me know who you are. Say something in the chat. You can go ahead, join the Discord group. It is linked. It literally just went live. Go ahead, join it. And in there, let me know what your YouTube name is. That way I know that, I know who you are. If I know who you are, I will not kick you out. That simple. After tonight, you're going to have to be a member, a paid member, to be associated with the Discord group. So click on that link, make yourself known if you want to be in for free. Tonight's the last night. I want to keep the group limited. These are people, I have Discord on my phone with notifications on. I'm going to be responding to stuff. I don't want randoms blowing me up all day while I'm trying to work. I want to at least know who you are. That way we keep the trolls to a minimum. I don't mind the frequent messages, but I just don't want the trolls. Now, if 7 happens to join the stream tonight, are we letting him in, guys? I don't think we're letting him in. Let me know. I don't think we're letting him in. Probably like $5. $5 a month or something. It's going to be tied to the YouTube membership thing. So you'll be a member of the YouTube channel, and that will grant you access to the Discord group, basically. So I'll either do the $4.99 a month thing, or the $4.99 will just be to have like the special features on YouTube, and then like the $8.99 or $9.99 one to be the Discord group. Probably not. Probably just do $5 to start with. And as this channel gets a little bigger, it'll be maybe 10 max. But I don't want it to be crazy. The whole point is for me to share the wealth of knowledge for free. If you want extras and you want to support the channel, then you can be a member. Private things that will be in Discord, well, to start with, there will just be conversation. So when I'm not streaming, that's where I'm going to be talking the most. Instead of blasting everything on Twitter, updates, where I plan to buy, where I plan to sell, what the plan should be, other things to look at, it's going to be in the Discord. And that's what that channel that's called Crypto Stock Watch, the top text channel, that's literally only for me to post those kind of things. Then there's a couple voice chats, if that's what you're into. There's 2 main chats with unlimited room. And then if someone needs to do a one-on-one with somebody, they can just join the 3rd voice channel. It's a max of 2 people. There's a limit for that reason. Bitcoin's trying to curl up. If it bounces off this and goes down, that's not going to be good for Bitcoin. Bro, yeah, yeah. You already have member for like 20 years, dude. You're funny. But yeah, everybody, welcome. Again, do not just click that Discord link and barge into the Discord group without having said something in the comment section and in Discord to let me know who you are. You will be kicked out with a swiftness. Make sure in Discord too, you're saying, like in the trade discussion chat, who you are, what your YouTube name is, if it's not the same. Obviously, if it's the same, you don't have to type. Yeah, we've got 9 people in so far, so that's cool. That link will be deleted soon. Yeah, let me give you... I'm going to make mod, Carson, and I think you probably will be the first mod. You're literally always here. Always. That's like one of the most important things for a mod, you know. 1, for them to be trustworthy, obviously, and then 2, for them to actually be around. What usefulness does a mod provide if they're never on? What do they ever moderate if they're not online? You're 21 on certain nights? Yeah, yeah, okay, we won't talk about that. I might incriminate myself. Oh, I missed comments here. Envu19 just called me mom. That's funny. I like the age variety. That's cool. Certain people in this chat are hiding when they saw the age question. I just see a common theme that it's most of the guys saying their age. That's all I'm going to say. You and Advantage close? Okay, so James... Oh, James didn't say his age. Oh, James 36. Okay, James 36. Yeah. Invu 19. Skydive 48. John 30. Rodrigo 20. Look at that variety. That's cool. Carson 16. Going on 21. Probably twice as crazy too. Wow. James just hit skydive with the jokes. You're from Brazil, Rodrigo? That's pretty cool. Welcome from Brazil. I'm really glad to have all you guys here. This is pretty cool. But yes, Invu, there will also be private things in that Discord group. This is just day one. So to start with, it's going to be at least just a close chat. And then going forward, there will be content. By aged 16 to 21, you just flip a switch. Guys, if you're in the Discord group, since you're in for free, the least you can do is follow me on Twitter if you've already subscribed. I really would appreciate that. Not that I expect you to monitor all my tweets, but like sometimes if I'm trying to get something tweeted out, I would like my OG supporters to be able to like click retweet for me. Help me out maybe. That's all. I don't think that's too big of an ask. Not even the Instagrams, just Twitter. Wait, didn't I make coffee? Oh, it's right here. Wait. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, I wish I got started at 16 too. I don't know what I was doing at 16, but it certainly wasn't being smart. I'll tell you that much. But yeah, probably charge $5 to start with to join, and eventually that will go up to $9.99, I think max, unless you know, I don't know what the future holds. But I'm not trying to rip people off either. I don't really like paid stuff. But obviously, if I end up doing this full time, I will need to be able to support myself. So there's got to be some money coming from somewhere. No, I got to learn Discord so 7 doesn't crash it. You're right. Yeah, guys, when 7 gets here, let's tell him. Let's just let him know he's not invited. I will mod all of you so that you can race to who's going to kick 7 the fastest once he joins the Discord group. Oh my God, Carson. Carson, dude. Thank you for the $5, man, but you're going to go freaking broke. Save those 50s. Dude. Y'all are so funny. Guys, I'm not going to lie. This is fun. All of y'all's personalities, it's weird. I'm reading comments, but like all of your personalities shine through text. It's really funny. Full-time job here. King Carson deserves it. King Carson, that's actually what I was thinking to name him. That's funny you said that. I was literally thinking of that earlier. That's funny. So maybe that will stick. Carson going for that. Huh. You join Discord. Hey, Cynthia. Join Discord in May and may never use it. Okay. You wish to be included and you're currently working on getting into your Discord again. Absolutely. Well, I know you for sure, Cynthia, so you'll definitely be in. Doesn't matter if it's today or tomorrow. We'll get you in. All right, have a good night, James. Appreciate you for hanging out. Hopefully you got in the Discord. Yeah, you did. You did. You said in chat that it was you. Never mind. Little skies. You don't have a Twitter account, but you'll pass this channel around? Okay, I appreciate that. I really do. Yeah, if you don't have Twitter, no sweat. It's just if you do, I appreciate the follow. Sergio, welcome to the stream, brother. Before you go, you have been granted the label of one of the OGs. You've made it to my stream within the first week. Congratulations. This is the 6th day of my live streaming. If any of you are in here that are new, before you go, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you can catch the next live stream. But you also get free access to my members-only Discord group. All right, bro. Yeah, crazy? Yep. All right, have a good night, man. For that reason, you can click on the pinned link. And welcome. Free access. Make sure you say something in there and let me know who you are on YouTube so I know like who I'm talking to. If it's a random, for example, someone just lurking on the stream, they click the link and never have typed anything in chat and I don't recognize their name, I will swiftly be kicking you. So all you have to do is say something in chat, say what's up, just don't be weird, and then you can click on the link. I wasn't talking to you, Sergio, but yeah. Oh, you just did? Sweet. Doge to Earth. Oh. That's usually not what we hear, but I'm with you there because I'm trying to buy dip. John says, are both screens different? Yes. So on the left, this is Dogecoin, and on the right, this is Bitcoin. Slat is typing. Who's Slat? Is that Sergio? Hey, we've got 10 people in the Discord group. All right, we've got Skydive, Lil Skies, John, the other John, probably the other John, Invu, Advantage, James, Carson, Slat's typing. Need to know who Slat is. Oh, it's Sergio. Okay, perfect. What's going on, bro? This is cool. Your Lil Skies, yeah. I got confused for a second there, but yeah, I got you. Thanks. Yeah, man. Wait. John Miguel. Who are you? Who are you in Discord? Is that Lil Wayne? I can't really see it. Yeah, that's referrals and links. Referral links and social. Carson. I don't have my Cash App in there though. I can add my Cash App if need be. Let me reword it. Social media and referral links. There we go. It's in information, the second channel down. Good looking out though. But I do need to add my Cash App. Oh, you only have YouTube, John? Okay, no problem. I'll remember your name though, just in case you make one. Bitcoin is still looking weak. I think this is going to, after people realize the price strength is pretty weak here, especially if it doesn't come back up to like near the EMA line, that this is going to continue to dump and at least retrace back to 42,100-ish. But I think this thing is bound to head towards 40,000. Now, different story if it comes above the EMA, but we haven't seen it really looking like it wants to do that. So that's my 5-second evaluation for you guys while I try and find my my icon wherever it may have gone. Also, I changed my YouTube banner yesterday. I got my designer to make me a new one with Doge and Bitcoin just to mirror the direction that the channel's heading in. I don't know if you noticed that, but just thought I'd let you know. This music's pretty chill. I'd much rather do this on live streams. Forget about the monetization I just play decent music. YouTube's playlist is trash, man. It's that poo-poo. Bear with me. I'm still trying to find my icon. It's my old icon. When I was 5-star reviews, that's not the new one. It's in my Google Drive. Sorry, bear with me. I'll get back to comments in a moment. Can I just save my YouTube icon somehow? How do I grab that? That's the icon I'm trying to find. Save image. Oh. Bitcoin's still not looking strong. Hey, we've got some new people in here. Hopefully y'all are calling yourselves out. Hey, 199 from Carson. Appreciate that, man. Thank you for the $2, bro. Oh, Brandon, is that you? Branson? Branson? Is that the same person? Let me know. If you're joining the Discord, please type in the YouTube chat who you are, so I know you're like a real person, not a bot or a troll. If I don't see you confirmed as a real person in the chat, I'm gonna have to give you the boot because I'm trying to keep this thing clean. This is the members only chat, and anyone who has been in my live streams from today prior is gonna get in for free. Tomorrow, I'm locking it down. It's gonna be literally membership only. So please, in Discord chat, just let me know what your YouTube name is so I know who you are. That's all. That's all. Let's see. Your girlfriend would kill you if she found out you're up right now. Hey, have a good night, Carson. Yeah, appreciate that, man. It doesn't say anything in there? Oh. Yes, joined? Okay. Irish lady, hello. Just sold out of Doge for the coming AMC short squeeze, but you'll head back after. Okay, cool. Thanks for hanging around. Yeah, AMC, a lot of people are talking about it. If enough people are talking about it and believing it, there's going to at least be a pump. Regardless of if we get the short squeeze, there's going to be a pump. So somebody's going to make money, you know? What are my thoughts on XRP still holding at 140? XRP sounds really good. Yes, your YouTube's brand? Okay, cool, Branson. Now I know who you are. All good. Appreciate that. XRP, was doing some research on XRP, and I really like it. I think it's going to take off. I think Doge, okay, so Doge is positioning itself to be the people's crypto for everyday transacting. When you go to the supermarket, when you go to the dealership, and you want to buy something as a retail buyer, a day-to-day normal person. But because of the speed of transaction, the speed of being able to mine blocks, and the price, the fee for transacting, because it's so low, I feel like people that move a lot of money and do handle a lot of transactions are going to want to use XRP, right? So big corporations, instantly you start thinking banks. Banks that it starts switching to trying to take advantage of cryptocurrency. So I think XRP is going to be pretty big, but just not the day-to-day crypto. Or maybe they'll find a way to also make it do that. And in which case it'll give Doge a run for its money. Maybe not at the beginning, but as people start looking into different options of what cryptocurrency to use and why. What is Discord? Is it like Twitch? Discord, let me just show you what it looks like, man. This is Discord, okay? Basically, think of it like a group chat. A complicated group chat. Okay, so it's a private place where people that you invite to your server can hang out in the different channels. So there's a couple different text channels, right? So this is called trade discussion. This is where everybody can talk about the trades that they're planning to make, provide each other with assistance or encouragement, make sure everybody's trading the right way, right? Hang out. And then you've got the stock watch chat, which is where I'll be posting, me only will be posting updates on like what I'm looking at, what price targets I have, where I plan to buy and sell, and what I think you guys should be looking for. Like when's the next dip? What's the latest news? All that. This is going to be my channel, and you guys can read from here as well. There's the welcome area where you can read the rules, how not to get banned. Here's where you can find all of my social media links. It's a private, think of it like a private Facebook page. I don't know how to describe it other than that. It's a little server group area where the members can hang out and chat amongst themselves. Then there are voice chat options too. But I won't be in those. Yeah, that's what Discord is. Most of the time, gamers use Discord to communicate with each other. Like they'll be in group chat or live voice chat in Discord. And you can also use it to like play music while you're gaming or whatnot. You can add bots that will play music from YouTube. If you just say like /play Lil Wayne, it'll play it off YouTube locally inside of Discord. It's pretty cool. Anyway, you're out for real this time. Yeah, drop something guys in the chat, and then click the Discord link and let me know who you were on YouTube, and you will be good to stay. I don't plan to extend this any longer. Maybe I'll consider tomorrow. You know, it'll still be the 1 week mark, but I'm feeling tonight being the cutoff. That's my current vibe. It's funny how it says I've made like $24 in donos tonight, and they were literally all Carson. Like over 8 donations. Dude, it's crazy. It's so funny. But I appreciate it. All right. Let me make sure the visibility is there. Can you read? Oh, that's what it was. There you go. Now you should be able to see. Now you should see the rules as well. That was my fault. Hopefully these are correct. Yeah, okay. We're coming down. Will I get filled this time? Notice the difference in the price action though. Notice how much lower Bitcoin is compared to Doge. Really annoying. So even if this comes down here, this is probably going to be like here. It's going to have to go further down for me to actually get filled in my dip. What did I say? What about Cardano? I need to do more research on Cardano, but I see it's blowing up, so I'm trying to catch on to that. Tonight's stream was actually supposed to be for researching XRP and Cardano together, and then discussing opinions on it and projections. But so much happened today, especially with this unexpected dip, that it's going to have to be tomorrow. But I want to jump on it sooner than later, because whenever we catch a good move up on Doge, and I think that's going to be like the, let's just say we get a move up to 70 and I take profit until a dip. Well, until a dip, I'd like to be looking at XRP or Cardano, or maybe just another thing to find a dip buy. So we'll check that out tomorrow, Sergio. And if you're here, just make sure you have notifications turned on the channel, and you'll catch that live. Skydive 47.4. Yeah, we're getting there. What's everybody's move? What's everybody's plan? Are you guys holding right now from a certain spot? If so, what's your position? Like, what price are you holding from right now? Or are you completely out looking for a dip buy? I just want to know. If you already told me earlier, go ahead, tell me again, get the ball rolling. It's fine. Also, thank you guys so much for liking the video. You see how many new people we got in here? Aside from Cynthia's graciousness of sharing in the Webull chat. Also, if you want to do that too, you can. They'll get lucky, I guess you could say, and get into the members only. But what I do is I will sometimes just drop a post in Webull chat. Just be like, hey, if y'all want to not be looking at charts alone, just come hang in this live stream. We talk about technicals, how to properly trade, how to cut losses to not lose money, how to take profit. Really, we're just all profitable. That's it. We all trade the right way together. And I'll give buy signals and sell signals, but I won't tell you what to do, because that is not a good idea. Can't buy either on Webull or Robinhood. Yeah, that's the thing. You got to make another account. So got to look into one of the other exchanges. So something like a Binance or Coinbase or something like that. So I did just sign up for Binance. It took a couple days to get verified all the way. They're a little slow about it. But Binance US, if you guys are really interested in signing up, I'll figure out a way to get you a referral link. Or you could just do it on your own. You don't have to use my links. But I have not, I can't provide my opinion on it yet because I haven't used it yet. But I am now allowed to deposit and try it out. I'll probably do that maybe tomorrow and get back with my feedback. But yeah, got to use one of the actual exchanges that let you buy a cryptocurrency and actually hold it and then export it to a wallet. Robinhood and Webull, literally, it's almost like options where you're just buying the right to it, but you never actually have it. They just tell you do. Holding, just waiting for a low dip to buy 500 more. I respect that. I respect that. I'm holding on 2 accounts. I have 3 accounts. I have my main Robinhood account, I have my secondary Robinhood account, and then I have a Webull account. On my secondary Robinhood and on my Webull account, I am still holding. But on my main Robinhood account, I use that one to buy dips and then sell high. I don't just hodl on that one. So I'm out at near 50. That's where I cut. And I'm looking for a nice dip, hopefully near 45. That way, even if we wake up tomorrow and we're trending down a little bit, I'm not far from my average, so I won't be nervous. Welcome to the stream, new people. Don't be weird. Say something in the chat. I'm just going to call people out. It's weird if you join and you lurk. We're supposed to be friendly here. Say something in the chat. At least just say hi. Let's be friends. Friendly. This is not super exciting, but it kind of is because I'm curious if we get a dip right here. John says, my limit buy is set at 459. You're not sure if you need to raise it higher on Webull because it didn't fill last time. I'm having the same thoughts, bro. Didn't fill me on that one dip. Ragnar, welcome to the stream, dude. That's a new name. Welcome. Everyone is selling to get into AMC this week. That's probably true. We might find a really nice... Look, if we're cool and satisfied with just trading off of Doge's price action, when other people are selling, we're waiting on the sideline saying, y'all go ahead, sell, get this price nice and low for us. Then we're going to buy in at the very bottom, get our front row, get our tickets early, and we're going to be cool because this thing's then going to reverse and start to go back up, and we're in at the very bottom. So let them sell, drive the price down for us, get distracted on some other currency, and try their best to make a profit. While they're doing that, we'll claim our positions at the bottom, and then they come back and ride the price back up for us, and then we sell at the top. I'm perfectly fine with doing that. That's what we did on the 42 dip and the 38 dip. I got in 385 on that massive dip. Literally 0.5 cents, 0.5 of a cent above the bottom of the dip. And we wrote that thing up. Everybody that was in the live stream trading with me, we did the same thing. Mostly. But yeah, welcome to the stream, man. Feel free to click that Discord link since you typed in chat, Ragnar, and get yourself a free access to the members only Discord. Starting tomorrow onward, that is going to be a paid access thing. I don't just want everybody being able to contact me all day, but the OGs, anyone that's been here since my first day streaming, which was Monday, 6 days ago, up until the end of the stream tonight, will get in for free if they click the link and say what your YouTube name is. Say that it's Ragnar. Carson, what the heck, dude? How are you still awake, man? You said night, bro, like 30 minutes ago. You just popped out of nowhere with a donation saying, hey, dude, you're crazy. That's so funny. Somebody lock Carson's bank account. Trust me, I appreciate the donations. However, I would like you to invest your money and then let me help you multiply it a couple times. And then maybe you consider possibly donating then. But dude, you funded all of my donations for today. I've got $25 26 of donations today. And every single donation was you. I'm dead, man. I think Carson's charging himself a fee for like each 30 minutes he's not asleep and he's still on this on this stream. He donates $1.99 as like a fee. He's charging himself a fee for not doing what he needs to do. It's funny. I appreciate the donation, dude. You're so funny. John, hola. Did you get yourself in the Discord group, John? Link's pinned. Fine, you'll quit. Oh my God. Dude, come on, dude. Guys, please. I feel so bad. I hate taking people's money, Carson. My account, I'll sell at $1 to get back investment and profit and buy AMC and XRP, the other two. Yeah. Carson. Here's the thing. Skydive. That's not a bad plan, but in my head, right? So to get to $1, it's going to take a lot. We're going to need the Tesla announcement and probably a couple other things in our favor. And by Tesla announcement, I mean Elon actually saying we're now taking Dogecoin as payment to let you buy Teslas. That's going to be our biggest short-term catalyst to move the price up. That will get us close to $1. Might take a couple other things just to bump us up. Maybe that announcement will get us to like 80, 90, and we need a little more help. Anyway, by the time you decide to sell, AMC might not be a move anymore. The short squeeze might be over. The hype might be died down, because that could be at least a couple weeks, unless Elon really gets, frisky. He's like, let's do it. Let's do it this week. But we don't know. We just don't know when that's going to be. So by the time you reach your $1 target and you cut. Also, welcome to the stream, all you new viewers. I see you guys. I see your names. Drop something in chat. Don't be weird. Say what's up at least. I appreciate you hanging out. But yeah, by the time we get there, because that could be a couple weeks, AMC's hype might be died down. It might be a different ball game. XRP though, I mean, crypto tends to go up in value unless you just constantly produce a ton of coins like Dogecoin. We'll see what happens though. So that could still be a move. I just don't know about about AMC. But I like the idea to sell at 1. Carson, holy crap. Oh my god. Holy crap. No, you can't sleep, bro. Dude. Carson, you gotta stop. You're gonna be broke. You're actually gonna be broke, man. I wish I could click a button to stop you from donating. I feel bad, man. Come on. I appreciate it, though, for sure. True, it doesn't seem it'll wait it out. No worries. Okay, yeah. If it doesn't, you'll wait it out. Yeah, that's fair. He just wants to ride in the cat? Yeah, I think he wants to ride in the Hellcat. I think he does. Hey, I do give free rides. It's a manual too, so it's a good time. Carson, we can hit $1 watch. Yeah, we definitely can. All we need is the Tesla announcement and maybe just 1 or 2 little other things. But keep in mind, by the time the Tesla announcement and a couple other things that'll get us to $1 will probably sell off because everybody's going to take profit at $1, right? So we'll probably come back down like 20, 25 cents, 80, 75 cents. But when that happens, when Tesla makes that announcement, being a market leader that Tesla is, that's going to signal other companies to say, wait, Tesla did it. We need to do it, right? If they can do it, we could probably do it because they obviously trust the currency and it's getting them business. So let's jump on board. That's going to bring a lot of other companies to follow suit. And so then we'll kind of continue to snowball, just like we've snowballed in the last week. And everybody's catching on. So, we need to accept Doge to get that business. Okay, that's a good sign for Bitcoin. We might not get another dip on Doge. I probably should have bought 47, but I was busy. I don't really care, though. It's fine. Yeah, so that's going to cause a snowball effect. That'll get us back to $1 and maybe a little further. Hellkeezy? Oh, you watch Tall Guy? I do, too. Yeah, I've got a Hellcat. Doesn't mean I have money. I just don't buy anything. I just don't buy much. I don't buy clothes. I don't go shopping. All I buy is food and gasoline. I feed 2 people. I feed me and my car. Well, and my girl. But so that's 3. Yikes. She would not be happy if she heard me say that. Yikes. 2 people, me and my car. Oh yeah, I guess I have a girl. Yeah, that's a yikes. My bad. Eddie, it's wild that Bitcoin is going down and Doge is holding strong at 48-ish. Yeah. That's what I was saying. What can I say? People like your stream? Yeah, that's cool. But Carson. Yep, Tall Guy's the GOAT. Yeah, I watch him a lot. I've watched him since he first started. Since his Hellcat was black. Before he even wrapped it. The first one. And my dream car was already a Hellcat. And that's how I found his channel, because he started making videos like with my dream car. And so I watched him just because he had a Hellcat. And then, his story on how he did it, and, he really couldn't even afford it, but he took a leap of faith, and the whole thing. And I've been watching him all ever since. Now, organic crypto investments blew up. Now he's rich. Like, 7. Don't click that link. 7. Don't click that link. You see that pinned link? That is for Guys, let them know what the deal is. um, we've been waiting for you, Seven. We've been talking about you. Alex, hey, what's going on, Alex? Welcome. Welcome back. Everybody that's here tonight, for those that weren't here, this is the last day that I'm letting people into the members only Discord for no cost. Okay? It is for the OGs. Anybody, I started streaming on Monday, 6 days ago. My first live stream, my first YouTube, anything on trading. I've been trading for years, but first time sharing. So, this is a little perk to my OGs that have been here over the last week. Today is the last day. If you click that link, just let me, obviously first type something in this chat here so I know who you are. But then you can click the link, type something in Discord chat just so I know who you were on YouTube, and I'll let you stay. That's it. It's that simple. And then you're in. Let's see. Yeah, Alex, go ahead, click. Join up. Mariano, I'm not telling you to buy while he is making us rich. Yeah, I'm like, I'm not telling you guys to buy. However, if you want to make money, this is what I'd probably do. At what price should Bitcoin be worried at? Probably no price. Bitcoin's not going to tank forever. 40K was what I thought I thought 42,000 is where it would bounce at, but I thought there was potential to get down to 40,000 tonight with an absolute minimum of 38. There's no way Bitcoin goes below that. And it didn't quite make it. I don't think Bitcoin is really something you can get worried about. It's only selling off because Elon trolled them. Yeah, Coinbase has 6 to 8 weeks to add Doge. Over time, the hype's going to increase as we get closer to that release date. Then there might be a bit of a new sell-off. Even if there is, then there's going to be an increase as people actually on Coinbase start to, since they will have access to Doge, naturally that's going to add more buyers of Doge. So then we start to go up again. So yeah, we've got a lot to run up on. I'm just amused by this price action. I really wanted to dip where I wanted it, but I got screwed out of it the first time, and then I didn't get a second chance, it seems. Oh well. Buy food? Why are you telling me to buy food? You come in with like 2-word statements. Usually it's either 2 cents or 1 cent. This time you came in with buy food, literally out of nowhere. You just join the chat and you say buy food. What is that? But yeah, 7, we were talking about you before you got here because you always join and you're like, Doge is going to 2 cents. Doge is going to 1 cent. And also saying stuff like Elon's tweets like aren't going to pump Doge anymore and Doge is dead, all that stuff. Yeah. Basically, I let everybody know that everyone could join the Discord chat except for you. We were talking about you earlier. I literally said that, 7. Alex, Cynthia, hey. John, what's up? Oh, John, you made a John Miguel? What are the buy and sell signals? Wait, who is this? Oh, DJ. That's DJ. My bad. You did type. I got you. Well, anywhere under 50 was a dip, right? And anywhere under the 200 EMA was a better dip. This was a potential buy. This was a great buy, and this was also a decent buy. At this point, now we're heading back up, so there's no real buy signal at this moment in time. Now, if it comes back and holds here, you can look at that as like a buy. If we hold at the 200 EMA on the top side of it, that's a potential buy at 48. Maybe that's the last dip before tomorrow. I don't know. Yeah, Cynthia, I just saw you. Wait. There's another Cynthia. Which Cynthia just typed? I am mind blown. Oh, this is Cynthia Ann. So this is the Cynthia that I know. And then now there's a new Cynthia. New Cynthia. Please type something in Discord so I know who you are on Discord. We've already got 15 of you in here. That's pretty dope. I'm happy. Oh, wait. John? This is John. All right. Okay, cool. There's 2 of them, man. I am mind blown. I was so confused. Thought I was in an alternate universe for a second there. Took me a second. Well, new Cynthia, definitely welcome to the stream. Glad to have you. Yeah, I said my car. I forgot about my girl. I was like, I have 2 people to feed, myself and my gas tank. There's 2 of us. I'm like, oh, I guess I have a girl. That's weird. Yikes. Guys, cut that out the stream. That never happened. I'll be single very soon. You're brand new. Yeah, welcome to the stream. You are also one of the OGs now. You got here on my 6th day streaming. Today's the last day, which means you get into my Discord for free. So the pinned link at the top, go ahead and click it, and welcome. Just type in chat and say that you're Cynthia, and I'll know who you are. Hi, new Cynthia, double trouble. Uh-oh. I'm just kidding, 7, though. You can join. I'm just giving you a hard time. You can join, but I still might kick you out. Yeah, we'll say that. Oh, man. Thank you all for the likes. We have so many likes. This is crazy. Where are you coming from? This is weird. Maybe there's no one else streaming Doge at 2 a.m. This was not in the plan. I thought I was going to have like 10 OGs into the member chat. Now we're getting like all new people coming in just out of nowhere. It's like, oh, can I be an OG? Mark Curry, you know what to do. Yeah. You're the admin, 7? Oh, that escalated. You love it only took a week to become OG status. You made it into Discord. You sure did. 20 viewers. We're popping off. We're famous. Oh, okay. So it wasn't John Miguel. Okay. Yeah, that's what I thought. I thought you randomly made one when I saw John again. My bad. I wish I was in right here. I'm a little annoyed. My last thought was like, if I go to sleep, I want to be in like 47. I'd be fine with that. And I missed the 47 too. It's all right. It's only a couple cents a profit. It's not like we're not going to make money. We just won't make as much by tomorrow. We got people from UK. That's super cool. Who's from UK? I'm sorry. Your profile pics are so small that I can't see you guys. It's not your fault. I'm just saying YouTube does that. Guys, while all of you are here, I have links in the description. There is the Twitter, which is probably the most important one to follow. If you want updates in between streams. Obviously, that's also what the Discord chat's going to be for, but there might be different things that are just Twitter specific, like retweets and stuff. So follow me there for sure. All of you, if you have a Twitter, why not? Links in the description. And then if you just want to be homies, I've got my 2 Instagrams in there, so you can follow whichever one you want. I've got my one, which is the official one for the YouTube channel, and then I've got my one for my car, which is more my personal one. It's like me and my car, but mostly just my car or other cars. I like cars. Can you tell? Does that surprise you? Does that make me a typical man? Mariano, no wonder people joined since you opened the Discord. 6. You did not make another account. What? Did he say six? Did he change it from 7NIF to 6NIF because he's bearish on himself? He changed his price projection on himself from 7 to 6 and then came in and lowered from 2 cents to 1 cent. My eyes are deceiving me. This can't be real. Interview, no wonder people join since you opened a Discord server. Yeah, it's so weird. I did. You found me on Twitter? Oh, hang on. Did I even get a notification? Were you Madam Crypto? Your first car was a 68 SS 327 Power Glide? What? Really? That was your first car? That's not you? It probably is, Carson. Yo, you've been impersonated. The troll has been trolled. That is nutty. Who are you on Twitter? Or maybe I just check my followers and don't ask weird questions. How about that? Oh, I guess you're Cynthia Ann. That would probably make the most sense, right? If you went by your actual name. Like if you were the one of my followers whose name was Cynthia Ann, like it is in YouTube, that'd probably make the most sense, I guess. Don't mind me. On all? Okay. I don't believe you got a 68 Camaro as your first car. That's so cool. I love those. Power Glide? Manual? No way. I'm not sure if that's what that means. In the 68 Camaro, I don't know if that's what they... Probably not. All right, it's Carson, I guess. How old are you, Carson? Carson is 16. Everybody was dropping their ages up there. A lot of people missed out on the party. Hey, it's not too late, though. But yeah, Carson's 16. How old are you, 7? There's a question. How's everybody? How about that? Pick up where we left off. Did you join 7? Oh, 7. 7if? 7if? Cynthia, nice. Just in the nick of time. Says this Cynthia 1 and Cynthia 2. Nice. You're 25. Okay. Pretty close to me. Bye, Cass. Oh, it is Carson. Carson, go to sleep. What? Yeah, I'm going to sleep. Makes a new YouTube account impersonating 7if instead and comes back as someone else. Dude's not even going to make it to school. $327 block size. Nice. You don't buy anything? Can you be Cynthia 1? Oh boy, competition. You'll have to leave that up to the first Cynthia to join the stream. If she wants to give up the Cynthia 1 tag, absolutely you can be Cynthia 1. But something tells me she may not. We got 5, 6, and 7if. Wait. Where'd 5NIF come from? Y'all are y'all are crazy. Y'all are over here making new YouTube accounts. You know how much effort that takes? You have to make a new Google account. I'm going to go to sleep laughing tonight. There's so much to remember from today. So much happened in this live stream. Bitcoin's recovering. It just reclaimed 45 as well. It's looking kind of uppish from here. Only thing is, though, y'all are so funny. Cynthia 2. I won't call you that. Miss Lauren. Have you followed me on the Twitter? I do not need a number. Well, then it's no point anymore, I guess. She said, I don't need a number. I'm just Cynthia. I'm the Cynthia. I think, was that a jab? I don't know. That's funny. I missed a big opportunity advantage. I did not take advantage of the advantageous opportunity, and now I'm at a disadvantage. Oh, it's unfortunate, but it's all right. So who's who? Cynthia Ann is the Cynthia that you probably know. Cynthia Lauren is the Cynthia that just joined a few minutes ago for the first time. And I'm probably butchering your name, your last name. I have to Laren, maybe? Probably would make the most sense. I just say stuff weird. You've got a Mustang for your first car, which you had a 68 SS. Yeah, that's so dope. You don't tweet yet? Oh, okay. Instagram? I'm just playing. I'm not going to bait all y'all to follow me on stuff, but all the links are in the description if you feel inclined. I don't believe you have a consistent 20 at like 2 a.m. Yeah, you felt that? She's like, I don't need a number. She can have the one. I don't need a number. Spicy. Yeah, I got spicy in the chat. Yeah, Cynthia's, yeah. It was just funny. I know you didn't mean anything by it. It was just funny, Cynthia. Need motivation. What was I about to say? Need motivation from CZ Binance. My Binance is ready for me to make a deposit, but I just haven't yet. Canadian Cynthia. Laren. Nice. Canadian Cynthia. What if you're both Canadian? Then what? Cynthia Ant. Wait. Did you actually just rename your what? What am I witnessing? Guys. What am I witnessing tonight? Y'all are funny. Wait. Is that a pipe? Who did it? Guys, I've been smiling for like the last 30 minutes straight. Y'all are freaking hilarious. I don't understand why y'all are doing the things you're doing, but it's so random. Oh my God. Oh, that's Cynthia and two's not you. Oh God. People are now making... Guys, relax. Relax. Don't start making copycat accounts with people and using their profile pictures. He might get upset. I'm so lost too. It's hilarious, but oh my goodness. Sorry, Cynthia Ann. It was not me. Edward, will Doge ever break away from Bitcoin? This is dumb. Doge will break away from Bitcoin when Doge gets a big piece of good news. For right now, Doge is stuck to Bitcoin. But we did see when we first got the spike up to the 60 move here. This move here, remember we were here? This was from the the Bitcoin announcement and then the Elon tweet and the Coinbase news. And at this moment, I mean, here we were with Bitcoin, and then this is where we broke free. But then we did gradually return back and started meeting Bitcoin again. So we need another piece of information. Another ONIF? Bro, if that's Carson, you're going wild. Sorry, Cynthia. I know that's not you. Who would bother taking the time? I don't know. At 2 a.m., I don't have that much energy. Well, not usually. Sometimes I do. Buy at 3 cents. Someone's trolling. Yep, you remember? Yeah. So that's what we need again at this point. Other than that, we're going to be following. Yeah, I kind of missed my dip buy. I'm a little bummed, but it's my fault. I told you guys where to buy, though. That's all that matters. Hopefully you're in where you want to be in, right? And I'll figure it out. It's a pretty lit stream. Hope everybody's having a good night so far. I wish it wasn't 2 a.m. I do have to go to bed soon so I can wake up for work in the morning. But I don't want to cut the stream. Maybe I'll hang out some more. New tip is 2 cents. That's the real 7 if. There he is. If y'all didn't know what I was talking about, the real 7 if just showed. Would have saved more money just holding. Well, if I bought the dip, I definitely would have made more by buying the dip, but I just wasn't looking at the screen. I was too busy focused on chat. Whoa. Hey, Hernan, welcome. You bought ADA at 2.1. Is that decent buy? You're new to this? By ADA, do you mean Cardano? If so, I don't know if that's a decent buy because we were just hovering like 170s to 190. And then we had a spike to about 220. All right, but then I know it started to cool off. So I don't know if 2.1 was a good buy, but I need to do more research on Cardano. I told you guys I'm going to call it Cardona. ABC. Wait, who's ABC? Is that a random person? Like, I mean, is that a copycat of something? If not, welcome to the stream, ABC. Welcome. Glad to have you in the channel. Click the Discord link. If you have a Discord, get yourself in the members only Discord. Before, all you have to do is just click the link and then type in the chat and say who you are on YouTube. So I know that you're a real person, not a bot. And you won't get kicked. And you're in. That's it. Tonight's the last night. From tomorrow onward, it's going to be paid only. Well, it was nice meeting y'all, but this old gal needs to sleep. You're not old. Yeah, I'll catch you in the next live. Have a good night, Skydev. Same for you, Hernan. Click the link, say it's Hernan, and you're in. That's it. Simple. It's the pinned Discord link. Top of chat. I'm getting all these people in. I'm missing out on all my opportunities to make money off the members. The member fee. I'm going to have like 30 people in that are first time streaming at the end of my stream. First time joining. Do I think it's the last dip of the night? Sorry, I didn't even see your message, Alex. Yeah. The fact that Bitcoin recovered to 45,000. Oh, well, it is flagging here. If this dumps, it might be a different story. But this right here is massive, right? That was a $3,000 recovery from Bitcoin, and it passed 45 on that. Now it's trying to test it again. If it passes and holds, I think definitely that was the last dip of the night, and we might just be 50s again tomorrow. Unfortunately, I missed my 40 dips, but it's, yeah. I y'all were too entertaining. I was looking at chat and not at the price action, or else I would have bought in. But it's okay. Our goal was to be in 50s anyway and make moves in 50s. Like be in low 50 and then make moves up to like 60 and then cut at like 58. So that's still the play, even if we can't get a dip. But a dip would have been nice. But got a little distracted this stream from all the different Carson impersonations. Cardano. I should look at it. Yeah, I can already probably tell you that it sounds like a bit of a mistake. Will it let me? All right, let's look at it on TradingView. Okay. Let's do this. All right, so they're not doing the same thing. That is good. Whoa, what's going on here? All right, forget this. First thing to do, get a bird's eye view. So we're going to change our time frame to 15 minutes, okay? This is going back to April. That should be enough time for us. All I can see is we averaged somewhere in the area of about 160 cents, 150 to 160 cents. And then we had this recent massive run up from about 160 up to $2.40. Obviously, that's not where you want to be. Now, we did have a pullback, and then we started reclaiming the new price level. You said you're in at 210. So you're in at the bottom of the dip. This isn't worst case scenario for you because you got in at the bottom of the pullback. Hey, Edward, I really appreciate it, man. Don't forget, if you have a Discord, you can click that link, be in for free. Just let me know. Just say it's Edward. That's all you got to do. If you don't have a Discord, no problem. I appreciate you hanging out. I'll catch you on the next stream, man. Don't forget, click the notification bell, though, so you know when I'm back live. But yeah, loading signal? How'd you do that? But yeah, you're in right here, man. It's not the worst spot ever. I think Cardano is going to trend up. But, I mean, obviously, you would have liked to be in a little sooner. Of the spots you could have bought in, though, where you bought wasn't bad. So I don't have much to say. You're at the bottom of the pullback. You have some wiggle room. We're at 220 right now. You're 10 cents below that. You can always cut for profit at any given time. Anywhere from 210 up. So it's not like you're in at a terrible spot. You're not in up here. You're not in here. You're not even in here. You're in down here. So it's a decent buy if you're looking very short term. Yes. It's working in your favor at this moment, basically, is what I'm saying. Let's see. That's not it. Hello? Is this right? It is, isn't it? Okay. Where was the squeeze? Oh, yeah, this is AMC. I'd feel much better about... I know... Oh, did I go over AMC? No, I didn't have a chance to go over AMC, XRP, or Cardano tonight. It's been a busy night. All the dips on Bitcoin and Doge, and then getting the Discord running. And then everybody was just going crazy in chat. Yeah, so that'll probably be tomorrow. You had checked it out right after he said it, and it was dumping fast. Yeah, that's always scary. Guys, this is fun. Hope everybody's having a good time. I am going to have to go to sleep soon, unfortunately. Let's go back to chart. I would love to see Bitcoin fall. I hate to wish for its demise. Ortex, who's that? Oh, the short squeeze. Trading signal. Okay. 45% chance. Nice. Hey, there's no harm in being in at the bottom, right? Because you have nothing to lose. So, I mean, if you bought in now, there's probably no harm in that. Might as well just wait it out. Obviously, I would have liked to be in at the area of value, which in my head is closer to $10. It's already run up a little bit. But yeah, $2 off that with chance to go who knows how high. Not bad. But yeah, all of you, don't forget, if you have Discord, just click the link, type in there what your YouTube name is so I know who you are, and you are in the members only Discord before I lock it down tomorrow. Hey Cynthia, thank you so much for hanging out. Sounds good. Probably catch you tomorrow. Don't forget to click the notification bell. Everybody, if you're already subscribed, before you go, click the notification bell and select all. That way I'll have you guys, like, when I live stream and you're not just catching the tail end, you'll get notified when I go live. And we can start with like 10 to 15 people. That'd be pretty cool. There's not much to say on the Doge side. Before I go to bed, I'm just going to have to buy in, and that's it. I missed all my good tips. I'm just going to have to catch like a whatever it gives me. 49, 48. We're going to go up, so I'm not really worried about that, right? We know we have good news coming. We know we're on good news right now. We know our tendency is going to be bullish, if anything. Unless Elon decides to tank Doge for some reason by saying something wild. Our tendency... Hey, I appreciate that, Cynthia. And I will definitely catch you in the next video, which is dope. But yeah, we know we know our tendency's bullish. We're going to be heading up. All that's happening is... day by day, we're getting news of more places accepting Dogecoin as payment, which is our main catalyst to making us valuable. Adoption. Widespread adoption. The more places that say we will accept Doge as payment, the more valuable a Dogecoin becomes. Everybody starts to view it and respect it as an actual currency, something of value for payment, to receive, to give in exchange for services or items or products or whatever. So, knowing that, buying low wherever you happen to be, you can even ignore technicals technically, right? If you know you're going to go up, just buy low, and eventually you'll be high. Of course, I want to still trade properly, and buy a great dip in value, which is why I wanted the 46, but I didn't get filled, despite us going down to the price. I could have also done 47, but I really didn't like 47. I put it on my... For those of you that weren't here, let's go back to my tweet. This was hours ago, 9:17 p.m. Okay, keep in mind at 9:17 p.m., we were... (9:17 p.m.) Okay, this is 10 o'clock. (9:17 p.m. Eastern time). We were right here when I sent this tweet. Okay. Right? 22, it's 12, midnight. Yeah, okay. So we were right about here. No, 9. I don't know. I hate military time, okay? We were somewhere in this area. And that's when I sent the tweet. Likely Doge reversals. 48, 47, 465. What happened? Reversal at 48. If we go down, 48. 47, where we caught traction right here. 465, where we got the rejection wick. Then I said 45 cents is another area of potential reversal. Probably ideal to buy to not be too greedy. Then I said 43, 420 would be absolute best dip, but extremely unlikely to come down this far tonight. And so I am buying to make sure that I get bought on the 45 dip. And then I tweeted a picture of my placed order hours ago, expecting it to come down below 50. And I placed at 459. Sure enough, we stopped at exactly 45 on the dip. I had my buy order right here. And Robinhood decided to glitch and didn't fill me. But other than that, that was perfectly predicted and traded. Not bragging, I'm just saying, if you study the charts and know your levels and understand your currency, then you can literally type stuff hours in advance and even predict exactly which levels it'll bounce at. 70, 465, 45. And 48. 48, 470, 465, 45. So, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, and you will see those in advance. 42 is, of course, you know what, 7. No, nothing's ever enough for you. I'll say we're going to get a nice, great dip at 40. You say 2 cents. No, but yeah, 42 would have been better, but I knew it wasn't happening. There's no reason for us to be at 42. We shouldn't have even been in 40s. So this was the reasoning. We shouldn't have been in 40s in the first place, but we were in 40s because we were getting dragged down by Bitcoin. So unless Bitcoin went down to like 30s, we weren't going to see low 40s. And I expected Bitcoin to reverse. Okay. If you follow me on Webull, I posted in there, expect a reversal at right about 43,000-ish, 40 to 43,000 with an absolute low of 38K. And we did see a reversal here in the 43,000 range. 42. The 40 was going to be super ambitious. I'm sorry they filled your order. They missed my fill. It's all right. It's all right. I appreciate the kind thought, the kind words there, but it's okay. It was kind of my fault. I mean, I stuck to my trade, and I didn't want to cancel it and modify it. And it's not that I was like wrong, so I can't be mad about it. I'm not mad at myself. I could have canceled and moved the order up a little to make sure I was filled, but it literally came down to my price, so I don't get it. Just think of all the new buyers once it goes live on Coinbase. Exactly. All the new buyers that will drive buying volume, that will make the price go up even more. We only benefit by that. So we're kind of just going to chill here for a couple of minutes and see where this goes short term. See if there is a potential dip buy again or not. I might just buy in at 490 now and just have my finger on the sell trigger, because I do need to get in somewhere before sleep, and I'd rather be in sooner than later at this point. My perfect trades went out the window when I wasn't looking at the screen, so I need to make up for that by doing something less than ideal, but still kind of necessary. So let me cancel my Robinhood order. Robinhood, you do suck. Just know that's how I feel. Thank you guys for the Twitter follows. I got a couple just now. Thank you. So I've got my order prepped again. And if I can just catch another dip before this stream ends, I'll buy there. That's pretty much where I'm at. Because I expect 50s tomorrow, so it doesn't really matter. Wherever in 40s is probably going to be okay. What's everyone doing tonight? Just kind of laying in bed with your phone, listening to lo-fi in the stream? Hope everybody had a good weekend at least. Tomorrow when we go live, not not only will we discuss XRP and Cardano, and we'll even look at Shiba, as much as I don't want to. We'll look at Shiba Inu, do some research on it. Because here's the thing, even though it's a meme coin and I want nothing to do with it at this current date and time, if for some reason it memes itself into existence too, like Dogecoin did, and forces people to have to pay attention to it, there's a chance it could end up on Robinhood. If it ends up on Robinhood, the value of it's going to skyrocket. Because once it's on Robinhood and easily accessible by new traders, people are going to buy it up. When people buy it up, the price goes up. So we need to just take a look at it. Not necessarily buy it, but just look at some information on it. Doge 48 dip. Anything in 40s, Chad, is worth. Because you got to understand, without Bitcoin's negativity, we belong in 40s. I mean, we belong at 50 or higher. So anything under 50 is a dip. The deeper into 40s, the better the dip. When's the dip on Doge at the moment? All those dips already happened. This was dip 1, but not the dip I wanted. This was the best dip, which we already predicted. This was the dip everyone should have bought. 45 was the obvious dip. And we said 45 because we already dipped to 45 earlier. Usually if there's really bearish momentum, your next worst dip will probably be somewhere around the previous worst dip. So this was the dip to buy at. This was, hey, last chance to buy a dip right at 47. Now we're not really dipping anymore. So now we're back looking a little bullish. And though we're near the 50, sorry, I'm getting tired, so my words are starting to vanish. Though we are near the 50 line, which is technically a support because it's a big level, we're also above the 200 EMA line and we're very close to it. And we're under 50, which is still area of value. So if you want to buy 48, I'm not going to be mad at a 48 average, obviously, once we're in 50s. But yeah, if you miss these dips here, there's a very high chance that opportunities won't come knocking anytime soon. But I cannot predict that because that all is dependent on what Bitcoin decides to do, and nobody knows what that is. All we know is that there's been panic selling for the last couple days, and we are down about 20,000 per coin on Bitcoin. We don't know when it's going to decide to recover. If it doesn't hold here and it decides to sell through again, we will see another dip. But there's no way to predict that. I can't. I'm not that. I might be good at technical analysis, but I cannot predict the future. Yeah, you're welcome, Chad. And welcome to the stream. If you want free in on our members-only Discord, tonight's literally the last night. I'm letting all the OGs in. I just started streaming 6 days ago. Tomorrow, it's going to be paid only. So all you have to do, click the link that's pinned, type in the chat that it's Chad, and I'll know who you are and you won't get kicked. That simple. Then you'll get all my like buy signals, what I think is the dip to be on the lookout for, whole bunch of Doge stuff, and then sooner we'll do other cryptos too. But hey, join the group. Just in case. That's if you have a Discord. If not, I understand. Oh, Elon, that's what, man. Okay, this is why it went up. Okay, I just got a notification. This is why Bitcoin just spiked up. All right. To clarify speculation, Tesla has not sold any Bitcoin. So he gave them just because the speculation was when he liked this tweet earlier. Tomorrow it'll be 50s, especially after that. So when he liked this tweet earlier. Wait, did he unlike it? Oh. I guess he unliked it to avoid confusion. Anyway, earlier he had liked a tweet from someone that was implying that at this rate, people are going to be really upset once they find out that Tesla has sold off all of its Bitcoin shares and is completely done with them. And he liked it, which made people think that was like a hidden implication. that they were completely done with Bitcoin and they switched everything out for USD and were like done. That's why it continued to sell off even worse today. But then, because he just said that clarification, just to clarify, we haven't sold our Bitcoin. We're just not accepting it right now. That's why we saw this massive 3,000 per share spike. That tells me, though, that this was just an overreaction from a tweet, that we might come back down a little. So we might see a little more Doge dip to maybe 48. That's my guess. Because we might get just one more final sell-off from this overreaction here to like here before it bounces. So we might get a low 48 buy on Doge. I don't know if we go much lower than that, though, after he just clarified. But we're here for it. Can't hear? Can't hear me? Hello? Hello, hello? Put the purple box, please. You want my special dip buy box? The famous. I'm surprised we still have 12 people in here when it's 2 a.m. I mean, I don't really know where to put the box, man. It's really just right here where this orange line is. That's low 48. I could say a window, but it's not really a window. A dip buy to me is anything 48.50 and lower, okay? 49 is not really a dip. Because when we're in 50s and we're on our swing low, oftentimes we will come through 49 before we go back up. So if your average is 49, high 49s, all that's going to do is make you nervous. It's not like you're in at a real dip. Because when you're in at a real dip, the price action isn't really coming near you. 48s, I'd feel more comfortable in 48s. This is the dip buy right here. If you can get in anywhere in this area, that's pretty sloppy, right? This is the most likely dip buy area right here. I'm lagging a bit here. Bitcoin's coming down hard. Hey, it's doing exactly what I said. That's cool. Oh, it was your fault. Oh, okay. Remember I said this was an overreaction from his tweet? Every action is an overreaction, okay? If you watch Zip Trader, you'll learn that from him. He's one of the YouTubers, one of the many that I did watch that has free content where you can learn trading psychology on a beginner level. But basically, one thing to keep in mind, every reaction is an overreaction. So for an up move, there will be a down. For a down move, there will be an up. But the bigger the reaction, the bigger the overreaction, usually the bigger the correction. So if you see a big move like this, it's not just going to fall flat and trade like this sideways. There's going to be a big up, and then there's going to be a big down. And then there might be a big up and it'll kind of level out at least in whatever direction it wants to go, and whether it's trending down or trending up. And there's going to be movement up and down. So when you see a massive up move like this, you should expect it to dip a good bit off the bounce here, and then it might catch, all right? Same thing if this was a downtrend. If you see a straight line down, at the bottom, there's going to be dip buyers waiting to scoop that up all the way. And usually you see a reversal. Even if it goes like this, even if it's trading like this, right? And then it dumps. Let's just say it dumps. Once you hit the bottom, it usually rejects, and then it goes like straight back up. It's like a basketball that you dropped out of like a 10-story building. It's going to come, the further it comes from up all the way down is like the further it's going to reverse. And that's like the little bit of a correction, and then it'll start to level out a bit. It's usually how it works. Oh, well. And maybe that will be in the upward direction that'll start to level out, or the downward direction. You don't really know. But that's typically what happens, all right? So when you get the big move like that, you can expect the big reversal move as well. That's why I said this will probably come down back to about this area. And if that happens, this will probably come down to low 48 dip. You didn't buy the dip? You didn't buy any of the dips? Hey, we're buddies then. I didn't buy any of the dips either. What I really want still, even though it looks like it's clearly not going to happen, I still want 45, okay? I am not in. I have no position right now. I wanted to be in before I went to sleep. I also just don't trust Bitcoin. So I wanted a good dip, so I didn't have much to worry about. Either that was 45 or like 46, and I didn't get filled. So now I'm just kind of curious. As I'm still awake, I'm trying my best to just not buy and wait for a dip. Now, once I have to go to sleep, I am going to enter. As long as it's under 50. Under 51, rather. Might as well. Neither? Yeah. I think there was a lot of us. That's the thing. Once everybody's here, and I can focus a little more on the chart, because we were just doing a lot of introducing, right? We got like 20 new people here today in this stream. Tomorrow, we can really be on it, and we'll be doing the psychology thing again. Planning the trade, going over with everybody what our plans are, and then trading the plan. And we don't miss dips. We do this. We plan our trades hours in advance. And then we execute. Not in these dips probably going to happen. We're going to see bounces at these key levels. I don't want it though. These would be ideal. Probably not going to happen. So where will I get in? Probably where it will actually stop. That's hours in advance planning. And then you could basically set the plan out, go on your app, say based off what I just analyzed, if we get a dip, I want the 45 dip. So what I'm going to do, wait for the dip to come down to my 45 mark, right? Input the trade, and I can walk away from my desk. That's how you trade properly. You should be that confident in your trade that you could set up the parameters and walk away and wait for it to execute. You can say, I want to buy at 45 cents, and then I want to take profit once it bounces up to 52, because there'll probably be a reversal at 54. I want no part of that. I want to make sure I get filled. So I'll do 52.5. Now I want out of this trade if it picks me up and then it keeps going down, because I don't want to ride the wave down. So if I get picked up at 45 and then it goes up to 46 and then it starts to dump, I'm going to set my stop loss to 42. So now you have your entry, your stop loss, and your take profit already set. And you walk away from your desk. And you know that you should be that confident in your trade. Not that you have to leave, but you should be that confident each time that you do a trade. And that takes planning it first. Hey, Rodrigo. Somebody from the stream. Oh, Rodrigo. It would make the most sense if Rodrigo was Rodrigo. Thank you for following me on Twitter, man. Appreciate that. I'm literally talking to you, and I'm like, wait, who's Rodrigo? Appreciate the Twitter follow, bro. So we're getting the expected 48 dip. I would have liked to see it closer to the orange line, but it did still go in the purple zone. So if you wanted the dip, you could have bought that little clip of it. Bitcoin's still looking kind of weak. I definitely need to go to sleep zone, but I can't. I really want the dip, if you can't tell. If you guys have to go, I do understand, by the way. So make sure you've locked in your position in the Discord group that's pinned in the comments. Click on it, type your name. That's it. Type your YouTube name, just so I know who I can relate it back to. That is it. Tomorrow, it's going to be $5 a month to be in there. At least. You too? You want the dip? Yeah, man. I want to go to sleep so bad. It's 3 a.m. my time, but I want the dip. Your face is tired? Not going to lie, same here. Man, I'm so tired. I wanted to be asleep an hour ago. 2 hours ago, ideally. 45. Man, 45. I will stay awake. I could stay awake till 4, 5 a.m. for a 45 dip. I probably won't. But I'm just saying, I would. If I knew it was coming, I would. Because I will wake up and be in good profit. All it takes, 45 to 52, which isn't even high. That's 7 whole cents. And I have 20,000 shares on my main Robinhood, so you could do the math. 7 cents, 20,000 shares at about 50 cents each. You want to sleep? Okay. Good call, man. Sounds good. I respect that. Appreciate you for hanging out all this time, though. Have a good night, man. Hopefully see you tomorrow in tomorrow's stream. I probably won't be streaming, guys. I probably won't be streaming in the morning. Monday is the busy day, I think, for everybody globally. And I did stream last Monday, but I probably shouldn't do that again while I'm working. So I'll work in the morning. Once I get caught up on my work, maybe I'll start an early stream, early afternoon. If not, it'll just be like an evening stream. Depends on what's going on, though. If things are crazy, I'll do a stream early. If things are interesting. If not, and there's no reason except for to review stuff and learn and discuss cryptos and whatnot, it'll be a afternoon stream. Maybe like a 3 o'clock Eastern or something. And then probably again at night, because I like to pull off too. Jared, welcome to the channel, dude. Should you really buy the dip? You should always buy the dip, man. We live by the dip. I realistically, Jared, we've determined over days of analysis that Doge's current value right now is 50 cents on an average day. If nothing's happening, there's no hype, there's no bad news, there's no Elon tweets, there's no nothing. 50 cents is where we want to hover. Anywhere from 49 to 51. So if you buy anywhere under 49, technically you're buying a dip. Now, we were looking for these dips. We predicted these dips here, 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 here. So those were the areas to buy. But if you want to buy 48, you can. Also, welcome to the channel. I know you probably just got here. Basically what I was saying, this is my 6-day streaming. I just started a Discord group, members only, all the OGs. So anybody who has been in my stream up until this point, when I end the stream, is considered an OG. So I'm giving you free access. If you click the link that I pinned there to the Discord group, just type your name in the chat and you're in. Once you get there, just say Jared, just so I know. You don't have to, but it's free if you want it. But yeah. I should probably type that out so I don't have to keep saying that every time. Unlucky for those in the stream tomorrow, though. Missed it by a day. You sold at 73 cents and earned over 5K in profit. Sweet, man. That was good that you sold at 73. A lot of us were not paying attention. You shall join? Cool. That's where I'll be posting a bunch of updates, letting you know what dips to look for and all that. So when Elon posts about Doge on Twitter and basically boosts it, does that count as market manipulation? Technically, no, because Elon isn't really affiliated with Doge. If he was part of if he was one of the creators or something, or affiliated closely with them, then yes. Or if he was intentionally boosting it, yes. Like saying buy Doge, but just him saying things that mention Doge and people taking that as a pump, that is not like technically something in his control. It's kind of like if I went on Twitter and said, dog, and then Doge spiked 50 cents because people decided to take any time I say Doge as hype. Right. So no, technically no, it doesn't count as market manipulation, but it is a little questionable sometimes. Some of the things he does do get close to market manipulation, but his most recent activity, no. The SEC is really picky about that stuff, though. Also, if he had like a decent holding of Dogecoin and was doing that, yes. But I don't think he holds any. I know there was someone that did. Mark Cuban has some, but I don't think Elon holds any Dogecoin. Bitcoin's still looking a little weak, which is giving me hope of at least a 48 dip. But of course, it might not pan out. What I might do, I feel like I want to set a limit buy again and just leave it running overnight, but I don't want to wake up and the price be 54 cents and I could have bought in at 49. I am a little torn because I just don't know what Bitcoin's going to do, but I know something's going to happen tomorrow, right? It's the worst feeling ever. We're like, we could either wake up low tomorrow, or we could wake up high tomorrow, but something's going to happen, and I don't know which something it is. Nice fun, yeah. Exactly, yeah. A little weakness here by the old Bitterino. Sorry, guys, I'm super tired. Come back tomorrow. I'll be much back in it. But I'm forcing myself to stay awake here, trying to catch a dip. As soon as I can buy a dip here, I'm going literally straight to the bed. What other sites can you purchase Doge on? Because you've been using Binance, but they are slow to transfer funds. Well, it depends. Are you talking about just being able to participate in the Doge purchasing and selling or trading, or actually physically holding your Dogecoin? If you're talking about just trading, Robinhood, Webull, pretty good spots, even though Robinhood's questionable. If you're talking about being able to actually purchase your crypto and hold your crypto and maybe even put it to a wallet, that's a little bit different. I know eToro, I believe, is doing Doge. Coinbase is about to do Doge. Binance is probably the main one I'd mention. Other than that, I can't think off the top of my head. I'd have to get back to you. I personally am just now setting up my accounts with Binance and Coinbase. And I don't have an account with an exchange that lets you hold coin. So I'm just a little slow. I'm a little behind on that specific, in that specific area. Dip to 40, man. If we dip to 40, I'd sleep like a baby tonight. Imagine the profits knowing you're going to wake up to tomorrow. Sleep like a baby, bro. John. Indodax? I don't know what that is. Oh, Bitcoin. I'll give this, let's give this stream 10 minutes, guys. 3:15 a.m. I'm going to wrap up. And I'm just going to try and stay awake while I lay in bed. but I'm literally like my eyes are closing and my facial muscles are getting relaxed. It's getting hard to talk. Coinbase got Doge. They are getting Doge. 6 to 8 weeks is when it'll go live. Yeah, man, no problem. Everybody that's new here, don't forget, subscribe and click, after you click subscribe, the notification bell next to it. Click it and then select all. That way, when I go live next time, tomorrow, you will get a notification saying that I am live streaming and you can jump right back in with us. You're going to go to sleep? Hey, I mean, if you want to buy 49, it's not a terrible spot to buy because we might wake up mid-50s tomorrow. Who knows? But hey, do you? Whatever you think. I'm a little too tired to give advice right now. Hey, have a good night, though. Appreciate you for hanging out. Envu back just into my exam, and wow, nothing happened. Yeah, it is putting me to sleep, the fact that nothing's happening. Bitcoin's trying to hold at its EMA line so it can curl up, though. And I think it will, but I'm still praying for a dip. Coffee, man, my coffee's not working. I have iced coffee right here. Still sipping it, but it's beyond coffee time. There's nothing that could wake me up right now. That's not true, by the way. But I am tired. I don't believe we still have 12 in here. All right, 7 minutes, guys. 7 minutes of stream left. Bitcoin is still trying to recover. Keep in mind, if we don't get a dip, I'm probably just going to be in. All right. 40, man, I would love 40, but I don't. You expect 40? Okay, I respect that then. I just know we're following Bitcoin, and Bitcoin got some better news because Elon tweeted. All right. I don't know if you saw that, Envu. I don't know if you had left. But Elon tweeted, just to clarify, he is not selling any Bitcoin. And when he said that, that's when we got the big spike up from the 42,000 all the way up on Bitcoin. So I don't know if we go back down to 42,000, and that's the only way on Doge we get back to 45. So if we can't even get back to 45, I don't think we're getting back to 40. The 40 dip, yeah. Only thing that could wake me up right now is a 40 dip. I might change my username to 40 dip. That's been the theme of the last week and a half. 40 dips. That's all we've been waiting for. First, we were coming down from 60 cents after SNL. We were looking for a 40 dip, right? Got it. Then it bounced back to 60 cents. Started selling off for 2 days. Looking for a 40 dip. Got that one. Now, looking for a 40 dip again. All that tells you is that the area of value, what Doge is actually worth, isn't 40 cents. If we all think 40 is a dip, then 50 must be what it's actually worth. It's looking pretty strong for Bitcoin here. I don't see a dip. And that's if this goes up here on Bitcoin and gets back to 45 too, you see that level, that high there on the left? If it gets back there, we get back to about 50 cents on Doge. I feel like on Bitcoin, it's probably going to be the point about where the 3-minute EMA is. Or the 5. Yeah, the 5. Right here. Which probably means on the 5 on ours, same thing. Yep. 5 is right at 50 cents. Which means if Bitcoin makes it through its, we're going to make it through ours. And that's probably the end of dip land. No more chance of dip. So, hope everybody that's not named Mariano got the dip buy they wanted, because it might be over. Cynthia, I swear you were gone, but hello. You were. How'd you get back? Didn't you say... Okay, no, that was the other Cynthia that said she was leaving, but I thought you said you were leaving too. Guess not. Maybe I just thought you were going to sleep because you were quiet. When you do join Coinbase, trade on Coinbase Pro for much lower fees and regular Coinbase for your wallet. Interesting. Okay, only on Coinbase Pro and send my profits to regular Coinbase wallet. Very good to know. Thank you. Very good to know. All right, guys, we got about 5 minutes left here before I call it. I think you know what my thoughts are already, so there's no point to really just keep streaming and staring at the chart. Basically, I'll stay up for a couple more minutes after I cut stream. I'm looking for a dip. Anywhere in 40s under 49 to me is a dip. 48 and lower is a dip. The lower the dip, though, the better I'm going to feel. I only say that because with Bitcoin now starting to recover a bit, if it can just hold up long enough for us to be in low 50s on Doge, going to be in profits if I buy a 40 dip. Can't really lose. Dip 48 or lower. That's a dip for me. I would buy that. Only thing is, all right, Bitcoin is still looking weak. I don't know if I fall asleep and Bitcoin goes to 46,000 or 40,000. Oh, you've been listening to me as you pack? That's cool. I bet you hate listening to my voice. I'm sorry. I've been talking forever. I know I hate listening to myself talk. Other people are like, yeah, I've been listening to you in the background. I'm like, oh, that's pretty unfortunate. Man, look at that weakness in Bitcoin. That is crazy. Houseboat trip, man. You've been traveling a lot. Oh. This might be good. Look, I only say that because look here. Look here. Look here. Look. So this happened earlier. Wait, is this even what I'm thinking about? Oh yeah, it was this. We were going down on Bitcoin, and then we had this up thing right here. Like this. Okay, I know it's not perfect, but that's not the point. It did this little thing up, and then it dumped. All right, and then we had this. Did this little thing up, dumped, up, dumped. So now I'm seeing this, and I'm hoping it's one of those, okay? So I would love for it to dump and give me a dip. Like Pro the Doge says, buy the dip. I like it. I really like your voice even when you're sleepy. Oh, how nice. Well, I'm glad to hear that. Hopefully it's the mic also helping me out. Yo, when I did that video, that emergency video yesterday, my voice was so deep. I woke up and the first thing on my mind was Doge. I checked my phone and there was big news. I jumped out of bed and ran straight to the camera, threw on some clothes and just clicked record. And my voice was like twice as deep. It was almost morning voice, but it just wasn't like breaking up. But it was weird. I watched the video back compared to the other videos I did that day and it was weird. I wonder if I can find it real quick. Not that it matters, but it's not like we're watching much else happen at this moment. Was it this video? No. Hang on. Like, good morning. What's going on, guys? It's not quite as bad as it really is when I have morning voice. But it was just weird compared to the other videos. It was just strange. It amused me. but yeah, I'm tired. All right, guys. I think this is going to do it. I don't really see Bitcoin dropping. Only way that happens is if this happens here, it does this little weird thing, and then it dumps out. But if it breaks through this line that it's trying to form, and it curls back up to here and pushes up, Doge is going to be on the upper side of 50, and it's going to have to come back through what then becomes the support line at the 50 at the 200 EMA or the 50 line. So, not feeling too confident in it. If you're not in a position right now, right? You have no position in Dogecoin. My advice, buy anywhere in the 40s. Obviously, the lower the better. If you are going to stay up, just keep your eye on it and hope for a 40 dip. If you're not going to stay up and you're looking for an entry, basically what you want to do, if this is going to pass here, you want to see it go up, go above the 50 line, and then above the 50 line itself, and also above the 200 EMA, which is conveniently right about at the same place. And then you want to see it hold. If it holds, then it's a potential buy. If there's support at the 50, and it looks like we're going to stay above it. You, of course, don't really want to buy 50 if it looks like it's just going to fall back through 50 and go back into 40s. But if it looks like it's holding 50, it's finding some support there. Then you basically consider whatever's low at that point, which is then going to be close to the 50 line, the support line. That's your new dip. Other than that, that's about going to wrap this stream up. I got to go to sleep so I can function tomorrow, knock out work, and then have another stream for y'all. So appreciate everybody hanging out. Cynthia, Invu Advantage, Alex, John, everyone else that's still here. Thanks for hanging out to the end. But yeah, hope you guys have a good night's sleep, and I will catch you guys tomorrow. Don't forget, notification bell, select all. That way you're all here with me when we start tomorrow. All right, guys. Peace. By the dip.